Oh.
There's a judgment. Yes, yes.
Announcement of Lieutenant Order, item number 18.
In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, we are of the opinion that the imperial order that is so and so does not call for interference. Accordingly, it is dismissed.
Obliged.
On Swear Milord, item number 19. Even I am for the petitioners Milord. Yeah. I have some personal problem with like file I could not trace Milord. So it may taken next Tuesday Milord. I will try. If possible.
Friday,
This Friday Milord.
first.
My lord.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 of this code. My senior is an out of station, lordship. Kindly fix this matter on Friday or Thursday.
We're not passing any order at this stage. It's the hearing matter of 2019.
Yes, sir.
Let us see. Yes.
May I please your lordship. Well, I beg to mention item 5, my lord. One of my close relative will expire on Sunday. Where family is going today, my lord. So I will leave the court, man.
19. Left day after tomorrow then?
Well, next week, man.
19 matter.
My
Of course, if there is some emergency, you can.
next
Friday?
Next week, man. Because I will may absent sometime. Any day next week, man.
Okay, later matter reach, will pass the order. You will. Someone be here. Wait. List on 5th on the priority concept.
Obliged. Thank you.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 2, my lord. A matter may be taken up at 2 p.m. my lord. Obliged.
The lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 with the counsel on the other side. The matter may be adjourned for today because the conducting counsel is has a personal difficulty today.
Who's the council?
Your Lordship, Mr. BP Sahu. He'll be traveling from Manipur. It's his sister's death anniversary. Therefore, he's unable to travel today. Sister-in-laws. The petitioner in person.
What is the matter about?
Your Lordship, the matter is regarding a disputed APDCL disconnection. So there was a disconnection of electricity supply in his apartment in Guwahati, and the matter is regarding that.
Mr. Sharma, what do you say?
My lord, they have filed a appeal against a single judge order. The matter is about that, we had taken due course, and as per the act, we had given a permanent disconnection. He is challenging the legality of it, that the notice was not served. But the single judge had correctly said the notice was properly served upon you. Against that, he has come.
Okay, there's some difficulty to do.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, since it has to come from Impol, when do you want? Give us a date.
Your Lordship, any date in March? As per your Lordship's convenience. 21st. 21st, your Lordship.
21st is too long. No, like
14th.
14, the 14th month, the prayer will not be.
Much obliged.
April, sorry. April.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 for adjournment. Lordship, my senior is not well. May your lordship adjourn the matter for today.
Who is your senior?
I Hussein.
Let the matter reach 2019. Let the matter reach. Not at this stage. Yes,
Lordship.
next.
Matter you have to wait.
Let the matter
Let
reach.
the matter.
Let us see. Not at this stage. Yes, next.
Lordship, matter to be taken at then 2 p.m. Bless.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item 15. Kindly adjourn it for the day. My senior is out of station. A Samwa.
Who's your senior?
Mr. A Samwa.
Let the matter reach, we'll see. 2019 map.
Item number 1.
May I please your lordship? My lords, in this case, your lordships help me take the information whether the petitioner is alive or not, my lords. I have taken information, my lords. He is alive, my lords, but he is bedridden. This is an ex parte orders. But the petitioner's condition is that he did not receive any notice. Whereas the learned tribunal said that after receiving the notice, he did not appear. The previously petitioners was in Morigao district, my lords. Morigao district divided into two parts. He came to the Odalguri districts. If the notice sent to the Morigao district, then definitely he will not receive. And now he is in Odalguri district. Order dated 22 March 2019. And petitioners came to know in the month of July when the police came to his residence. Thereafter, he impaired the matter before the tribunals and collect all the documents. To the Guwahati. And he is in the old district. So he came to Guwahati with his son and hand over the matters to his advocate. Accordingly, the case was filed. In due course of law.
Did you approach the tribunal for setting aside expertise?
No,
Do you have any materials to show that the notice was not served? Have you collected the report of the process server?
no, my lords, I have not collected.
No, you see, your projection is this is an ex parte order.
Yes.
Ex parte, yes, a matter of fact, but ex parte, why? Was notice served, you did not contest, or was notice not served at all? What are the materials to show that the notice was not served?
My lord, I have not received any notice, my lord, because I am in Odalguri district, my lord.
Now, understood. Did you apply for any certified copy of the process service report?
No, my lords, I have not applied.
You
Only I have applied
you should have given, if you are
Judge-
projecting a case,
judgments of the,
no, you should have, since you are projecting that it's an ex parte order
yes, my lord.
and you have not received notice, at least the process service report, you should have got an ex parte, I mean, a certified copy in the next year, that this report is wrong. There is no doubt that it's an ex parte order. It's been passed in your absence without hearing you. But did you volunteer not to contest, or is it a case that you have never served notice? If
My
notice is
contention-
not served, then the matter becomes different. But if you, on your own volition, you choose not to contest, then consequences will be different.
My lord, the petitioner says, the petitioner filed by showing an affidavit, he said that he did not receive any infringement.
No, that is before, that's not a material before the tribunal.
On oath, he has made a statement. my lord.
What is it? Hardly. All 40 records of it. FT, you didn't take a CP. Case number UDL oblique FT oblique 6 oblique 2000. From the Office of the Coordinates Cabinet, ATS. Final order 2203. Leave this matter for motion immediately. Immediately after the.
Obliged.
Madam, this is a contested case, my lord. Imprint order by accept first page 32. In the petitioner notice was served, my lord. File written statement, and then my lord, he appeared, he also my lord deposed, and also his brother deposed, my lord. And voter list, my lord, submitted 1971. Yes, 71 of his father, 75 for his father, my lord, and 85 father, mother, brother, and 90 my lord, petitioner father and mother. So there is a middle linkage. And 97 also my lord, petitioner and mother. Brother was sitting separately, so his name will not appear separate voter list, my lord.
All for the record. Wednesday, April 11th, Barpeta, absorb. Case number PPT within bracket is PPT of 11, bracket close FT 904/2016. Opinion dated 25/08/2020. Immediately on for.
Interim production plan.
Next day, we'll consider.
Registered.
Yes, we have the,
Yesterday it was called, you were not there. This matter. You can close it.
that is the office records lordship, which is the submitted.
SP sir is asking.
Telephonically, we called up lordship.
On which date?
Lordship, the date is on the, it's 6/12/2017, it shows here. Okay, date. Yeah. Registration date.
6/12/2017, 29.
Yes. Serial number 92, lordship. Date here,
No, in the second page.
6/12/2017.
70.
It is in both the instructions. Here it is on the covering letter. Last line, lordship.
29 April, 6/12 was registered.
Registration number 6445 dated 6/12/2017.
Mr. Doctor, what is your prayer here?
Lordship, the direction, the effect, This for modification or clarification, not change that. The second time he may not be, if already registered in that direction is not necessary.
But prior to filing of this writ petition, you have already applied for your registration.
No, Lordship, in terms of the High Court, interim order of the High Court, Lordship, I have applied for. Please, Lordship, find at page 15, Lordship. One 2017, Lordship. In the meanwhile, last paragraph, it would be open to the petitioner to get his name registered as foreigner belonging to so and so stream before the competent authority, which would, without prejudice to the rights and conditions, accordingly he has registered.
It ইয়াতে আছে date to 6/12/2017.
Are you still challenging the order of the tribunal?
No, Lord.
Court may study the counsel appearing for the petition. Okay. A Burma standing counsel from court. 3, 5, 6. Fully 9. All of the part. On being inferred, Ms. Verma, London Standing Counsel Home Department, by placing the communication number, a letter number HJI /B/HC/2024/06 dated 26/02/2024 of the Superintendent of Police Border Kota Assam submitted that the petitioner has already registered his name under the provisions of with the FRRO Nagaon file number R-6445 dated 06/12/2017 in pursuance of the order of the tribunal dated 29/08/2017
24/9/2019, Lordship.
29/08/2017 by the Learned Court and Tribunal Nagaon 7 at Lanka Hojai in F.T.L case number 457 of 2016. Whereby he was declared to be a foreigner under the Foreign Rescue Law 101/1992 24/09/2017. As well as the order is at 1/11/2017. Interim order 1/11/2017. First in WPC number 6425 of 2017. Say WPC number 6425 of 2017 is finally disposed of. Order dated 24/09/2019 by coordinates of this. As such, petitioner has been registered with the FRR Nagaon. Is not present this concern. Is our capital literature. Rule 19 of the Chittagong 2009 as amended. Copy of the communication of the Superintendent of Police Mudai Assam dated 2020. Be kept as a part of the record.
Highly obliged.
Matter number 20.
Please. Motion of action.
My lord.
Who document that's it. Executed.
Which is your link document?
My lord, to start with page number 15, my lord. Sorry, annex of 15, page 71, my lord. This is a GP secretary certificate, my lord.
Which page is it?
Page number 71.
Come to now page number 99. Annex 20.
My lord.
What is the basis of its giving of this certificate by the concerned secretary, the relevant point of time?
May I read, my lord?
Read the cross.
It says the year of date was overwritten, but I did not put my initial. I do not know Sarifun personally. Certificate was issued on the basis of Gavura certificate, but I have not brought the Gavura certificate. So, my lord,
Which Gambura certificate?
my lord, here in this petition, it is annexed as annexure. It's page number 69, my lord.
Page number 69.
The translated portion, my lord.
Now, whether this certificate
My lord,
issued by the Gambura
my lord.
been proved before the tribunal,
Lord, the
or only it was placed before the tribunal?
it was
Whether it was
placed before the tribunal.
not proved.
The
Gaura
did not appear, my lord.
The concerned Gaura did not prove.
My lord.
So if this particular document does not prove,
My lord.
the marriage certificate that was issued to you or the certificate that was issued to you by the government secretary can be certain to be proved.
My lord, in all probability, my lord, this
Tell
was
us
not
in
the,
probability. Tell us whether the certificate, because you have just read the statement of the Gram Panchayat secretary who issued that certificate.
my lord, because one Gavura certificate was placed before him, my lord, before the Gaon Panchayat secretary. So based on that,
You have placed a certificate issued by a Gaura
my lord,
before the secretary,
my lord,
and the secretary has issued that certificate to you. By number 71/72,
My
right?
lord.
Exhibit L probably.
my lord.
In their exhibit L. And this is the only link document.
My lord, considering the fact that the Gaon Panchayat secretary appeared before the learned
Now that's why.
tribunal, my lord,
Huh.
and
Gaon
there
Panchayat
was a,
secretary- That is the reason why I ask you whether the Gaon Panchayat secretary proved. That is why we ask you specifically to read his cross.
but it was before him, my lord. He just that he did not bring it before the tribunal, my lord. It was before him.
This
He says
certificate
that he-
was, this certificate, page number 70, 69 or 70,
my lord,
was before the Gram Panchayat secretary.
my lord,
And on the basis of this, we have issued this certificate.
my lord.
So the link is proved. Whether the link is proved, because this Gram Panchayat secretary did not give that certificate to you on the basis of any other records, but just on the basis of this Gaon certificate, right?
Hello.
And Gaon did not prove this certificate.
My only humble submission, my lord, because it was before the Gaon Panchayat secretary. So I'm sure he must have verified when he accepted it. The only issue here is
Because read his contents, it is there.
certificate was issued on the basis of Gaubura, but I have not brought Gaubura certificate.
Even then, otherwise.
But he came before the learned tribunal.
Even that is not on the basis of record of the Gram Panchayat, but merely on the basis of a certificate issued by Gaon. So anybody can bring hotel list, document, certificate before the particular authority. The authority will issue the certificate and then authorize nothing.
He's not neither questioning the
It is the fact that he was maintaining a register. You are resident of that area.
my lord.
They are also recorded that name of your father is Iman Ali, mother is Fulmuti.
My lord.
From the records, you have made that, you have issued that certificate only for that purpose, right?
My lord.
That is the different issue.
My lord. The brother also deposed before the learned tribunal, my lord.
It will not be enough. Brother relying on what?
My lord.
Brother relying on what?
May I read this page number 98, my lord? May I take your lordship to this annexure? Page number 98, my lord.
Read that one, page 90.
My lord.
Read that.
I have come to depose evidence in favor of my younger sister Sariful Nessa. She is about 23 years younger to me. Sabura Khatun is my sister. I do not remember the date of birth. Name of my parent is late Iman Ali and Fulmati Bibi. Father died in 1990 at Panditor Palm. My parent casted vote in 1996 at Naupara. They also casted vote in Hadia Palm in 1977 and Panditor Palm in 1989. After 1979, my father shifted to Panditor from Hadia Palm. It is not a fact that I am not the brother of Sariful Nessa and report evidence by me in support of Sariful Nessa is not true and correct. My lord, his name, Mr. Fulchand's name is recorded with Iman Ali, the father, in 1989 voter list, my lord.
Now read page 72 or 71.
72, my lord.
Hmm.
It is to certify that. It is to certify 71, my lord.
That's 71.
It is to certify that Srimati Sariful Nessa, daughter of late Iman Ali, Tangunmari village, 86 Bamundi Gao, Panchayat under Hazo Revenue Circle, district of Assam, who is aged about 30 years, was a resident within the jurisdiction of the state Gao Panchayat area. Srimati Sariful Nessa got married on 8/5/23 to Sri Hamed Ali, son of Sri Ismail Ali, and late Hazira Khatun of Tangunmari village, Gao Panchayat, under Hazo Revenue Circle of Kamrup Revenue District, Assam. Sariful Nessa has now migrated from the state Gao Panchayat area to the above mentioned location by virtue of her marriage, which was solemnized.
So just see, your brother
My lord.
did not state that you stayed at Tanganamari. Very clearly, your brother, protected brother has stated that his parents resided at Noapara,
My lord.
then cast their votes at Hadia Palm, then Panditor Palm,
My lord.
and later shifted to Hadia Palm,
My lord.
to Panditor Palm,
My lord.
right?
My lord.
From Hadia Palm to Panditor Palm. They did not mention anything about the resident, that her parent or his parents resided at Tangnamari.
Here he is only talking about where the father has parents have voted. My lord.
Necessarily, prior to marriage, she will be with her parents, right?
My lord.
The Gram Panchayat secretary's certificate, you just see. You have just read that the proceeded daughter of Iman Ali of Tangnamari village under Hazur Avenue Circle,
My lord.
who is about such and such, was a resident within the jurisdiction of the say Gaon Panchayat area. The secretary clearly said it's Tangnamari village.
My lord.
So was which Gambura has issued that certificate that you resided in Tangnamari?
My lord, here page number 87, my lord. Page number 87. Here is the evidence in chief of Fulchan Ali, DW2.
Hmm.
He says that I have Fulchan Ali, aged about 45 years, son of late Iman Ali, village Panditor Palm.
He did not mention,
in
your
Brigade
brother
Tangun-
did not mention that he is residing at Tangnamari.
My lord, in Brigade it is Tangunamadi. Probably, my lord,
That
it
cannot
is
be,
both.
he
my
could
lord,
have said,
in the evidence in chief, he has mentioned, my lord. Now it has not been demolished in the cross, my lord. It is there.
it's a Tangnamari that show us.
He says it's in Tangunamadi, my lord.
There is nothing before. A circle will have
But
many villages.
Panditor Palm is there, very much there, my lord.
Hmm.
Also, in the same evidence team number 17, he says that my father died in year 1990 at village Pandikar farm in Bricket, Nangona Marima. And here he says my father shifted to Panditor farm from Hadia farm. So he just did not mention in Bricket, Tangona Mari in the cross, my lord, but it is very much there in the evidence in chief, my lord. Okay, my lord. Now, at this stage, I am just pressing for an interim, my lord. Elsewhere, there I am just pressing for an interim, my lord.
We have the record.
It's for disposal, yeah.
My lord. Even in number 3, he says Tangunamari is the Suba, my lord, in the chief.
When was your marriage?
My lord, marriage was
Which year?
two thousand one, my lord.
2001.
My lord.
Where have you stated?
Page number 40, my lord, in the WS.
40.
40, my lord.
Yeah. 2001.
22, my lord. Serial number 22,
Yes.
my lord. My lord.
Paragraph 22.
My lord.
People married. It was an ideally to be- Exactly, within- yes. Certificate.
No.
Take your seat, Mr.
My lord, thank you.
Questioning answer.
evidence बराबर कितने? ऐसे discrepancy देखा, मेरे perspective pointed to it. Buffett, great Imam, Mark full motive. It is 50, 90, 66, Imam, no, 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 para 7, Imam, no, 77, Imam, no, the car, no, 89, প্রথম প্রশ্নে ইমান কখন ইমান কোন বিবেকে পরিচালনা করবে কখন এখানে আপনি বইতে করবো People are also ignore for also link document to point out for that there is only one link document. There is three link document. Certificate by headman is not important. Certificate is now for one or one cup at least 68 same day. Not important. So this 66 days. It is 23 2000. Next 370. Same day. 8 with the one which is the good. That way it is 70. Economic 23. Economic what not an any control. Last for that is 22. This is the certificate for us to see if you see. For us to see is 99. Very but then report certificate of now concept which certificate has D6. Then on this one, Born in আর হচ্ছে সুলতান রায়কে উপর আরো তিনজন সুলতান সবুরা হাফিজ হচ্ছে এখানে হ্যাঁ সুলতান সুলতান সবুর হাফিজ হলো তোমার মেজর নাইনটিন এইটি 2004 date of year of birth about not 1984 Mr. Counsel, what is your name?
E.W. Aman,
Aman.
my lord.
Come to page. In the written statement, you have disclosed that your father is Iman Ali
My lord.
and your mother is Fulmati Bibi,
My lord.
correct?
My lord.
Okay. You have annexed or exhibited rather the 66 voter list, which is at page 50.
My lord.
Iman Ali, father, Fulmati Bibi, mother.
My lord.
Then page 52 is the 70 voters list.
My lord.
Iman Ali, Fulmati Bibi,
My
no
lord.
problem.
My lord.
77 at page 54.
My lord.
Please turn to page 54.
My lord.
1977 voter list.
My lord.
Iman Ali, Fulmati Bibi. In the same house, there is one Abdul Malik Ali
My lord.
and Hazira Khatun.
My lord.
Any idea who are these people?
These are maternal uncle. Maternal uncle. My lord, I have mentioned it in the WS, my lord. My lord, page number 38, my lord.
30.
38.
38.
My lord, 38.
Okay. Yes, please.
Last paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
Last para mentioned maybe here that maternal uncle and aunties are residing in the house of the father of the proceedee of opposite party. Therefore, the said paternal uncle appeared in my father's family in the board 1977.
You have not given their names. In the
Names are not mentioned. Just
okay.
My
There is something. Okay. No,
my-
no
my
problem.
lord.
Then you come to page 56.
My lord.
56 is what? It's the voter list of which year?
89. 1989.
Okay. See the names. Iman Ali.
Iman Ali. my lord.
Okay. Iman has become Himan.
But in the
No, no.
husband and father's
No,
name,
no, no,
it's Iman. My lord.
Then Miss Fulmati Bibi
My lord.
and M. Pulchan Ali.
Kulchan. My lord.
Okay. Kindly turn over the page. Let us see the original.
My lord. The next page, my lord.
Yes.
56. My lord.
The vernacular.
My lord.
Muhammad Himan Ali.
Iman Ali. My lord.
No problem with translation. Then next is Miss Fulmati Begum. You translate into Bibi. Who gave you the authority?
My apologies, my
No, it is not a question of apology. These are very sensitive matters.
my typographical mistake.
You could justify that Iman, father has been dead, Iman, so it's Iman.
Right.
In the translation, you make Bibi Begum. Why is this?
Sincere apology, my lord.
Your citizenship has already been doubted and declared, and now you're making this kind of things. Your the first voter list where your name appears is at page 58, 2005.
My lord.
That is, there is no link with the father because you were married at that time. We had put a question, so your husband's name has come. But there is a necessity to have a linkage with your father.
Absolutely.
To have a linkage, and to have a linkage, you have introduced some documents.
My lord.
Now, page 66 is a certificate by the headman.
My lord.
Headman Zakir Hussain
My lord.
is dated 23/3/2019. Okay. This Zakir Hussain was not produced as a witness,
Right.
so you cannot rely upon this.
My lord.
It goes. Next, come to page 68. Same date, there is a certificate by the Gambura.
My lord.
And this is both the above certificate at page 66 and 68 are with regard to shifting of your father,
Please, my lord.
nothing to do with you. But nonetheless, this particular gentleman, Bharat Chandra Kolita, or whoever, he was also not cited as a witness. Gone. Page 70. Page 70 is another certificate by the Gambura of Ponditor Palm. This is the certificate which gives your name.
Please, my lord.
But unfortunately, and this is also same date, 23/3/2019. You may obtain. But all this raises a doubt kind of thing. Why same date? Different Gamburas. Nonetheless, let us ignore the date, overlook the date. This pertains to you. Your name is there at page 70.
My lord.
But unfortunately, this particular Gambura, Madam Ghulam Mustafa, was also not cited as a witness.
My lord.
Now, the only certificate, the maker of which was cited, is at page 72. He is one Parag Sharma.
My lord.
He is the secretary
Gautam.
of a particular Gaon Panchayat. Let us read the contents of this certificate. Please read.
This is to certify that Srimati Sarifun Nessa,
That
daughter
is the petition, huh? Sarifun is the petitioner, isn't it? Okay.
my lord,
Daughter of
Sri late Iman Ali, father, mother of Tangonmari village and 86 number Bamundi Gaon Panchayat under Haljo Revenue Circle of Kamrup Metro District of Assam, who is aged about 30 years, was a resident within the jurisdiction of the said Gaon Panchayat area. Srimati Sarifun Nessa got married on 8/5/2003 to Sri Hamed Ali, son of Sri Ismail Ali, and late Hazera Khatun of Tangonmari village, Gaon Panchayat ward, under Hajo Revenue Circle of Kamrup Rural District of Assam. Sarifun Nessa has now migrated from the said Gaon Panchayat area to the above mentioned location by virtue of her marriage, which was solemnized as aforesaid. The certificate issued based on the evidence placed before me.
Yes, last line is very important. The certificate is issued based on the evidence placed before me. See, this is a format. He has inserted something which is relevant to you. So, but making it a format has to be justified or substantiated. Now, let us come to his deposition at page 99. Please read.
On 26/5/2015, I was working as the secretary, 86 number Mamundi Gaon Panchayat. On that very day, I have issued Exhibit L certificate issued to Sarifun Nessa, daughter of late Iman Ali and Fulmati Bibi of village Tangonmari under 86 number Bamundi Gaon Panchayat under Hazo Development Block, District Kamrup, Assam, certifying that she was a resident of Tangonmari village of the said Gaon Panchayat and she was married on 8/5/2003 with Hamed Ali, son of Sri Ismail Ali and Srimati Hazira Khatun of village Sangonmari under the same Gao Panchayat. Sarifun Khatun has now migrated from the said Gao Panchayat area to the above mentioned locality by virtue of a marriage, which was solemnized as aforesaid. This certificate was issued on the evidence placed before me. Exhibit L1 is my signature. Certificate was countersigned by BDO Yusufur Rahman of Hazu Development Block. Exhibit L2 is his signature, which I know. The cross, year of marriage, date was overwritten, but I did not put my initial. I do not know Sarifun Nessa personally. Certificate was issued issued on the basis of Gaubura certificate, but I have not brought Gaubura certificate.
See, first part is okay. In the cross, the overrating part of the marriage date, we can also ignore. He has not put his initial. But the next two lines are very significant. He doesn't know you personally. That means he has given the certificate on the basis of certain materials on record. What is the materials on record? The materials on record is a certificate issued by the Gaubura, which has not brought the Gaubura certificate. Let us for the moment even ignore this second part, not bringing it. But it is based on a certificate of a Gaubura. We have before us certificates of two Gaubura. Both are dated 23 to 2019 and 23 at page 68 and 70.
We issued subsequently.
You have already answered before I put the question.
No, my lord, that is
But,
correct.
but if the contents of the certificates, maybe a certificate was there beforehand, and these certificates, the contents are acceptable, cogent, then at least either of these two, the Gaubura should have been
My lord. Your lordship is correct.
examined,
My lord.
expose them to a cross-examination. If they
True.
pass the test of cross-examination, matter ends there.
My lord.
There is no, how do you link? You were born after a particular year, so you cannot say that, no, I have a voter list. That is accepted. You may not have a voter list of 71.
Please,
Because we have deducted, you must have been, your year of birth might have been in 1984 around.
Around that time.
Because you are 36 years in 2020 in the affidavit. We have just made a rough calculation. So what you need to do, may not have a voter list in a given case with your parents. If you are married, maybe at the age of 21, before you voted, you got married. But there will be some document, school certificate, or maybe the Gaubura of the original village.
It's
It is not proved.
it's a big challenge for female to prove the linkage, my lord.
No, only to facilitate
My
that,
lord.
we would accept a cogent evidence by the Gaubura.
My lord, the Gaubura should have appeared, my lord.
Now this Parag Sharma, he deposes his only basis is a certificate, which is of a later date.
No, my lord.
No,
This.
no, in 19. Maybe let us assume that there was a certificate even before 2015.
My lord, different.
His deposition, let us not doubt his deposition, that he had deposed on the basis of a certificate which existed prior to 15. But that certificate, where is that certificate? That is not even before us.
He should have brought, but he mentioned that there is a certificate, my lord. He's not denying that there is no certificate. Just that
No,
he did
what
not think that-
disturbs us is the format.
Right.
Format, if you read the format, it's not in your case because these are general formats. If you read this format, which the last line I was trying to emphasize at page 72, certificate is based on evidence placed before me. What do we assume? That the materials relevant, page 72, last line,
My lord,
that
My lord.
materials relevant were placed before him, he has scrutinized the materials. Maybe he doesn't know the person by,
lord.
personally he doesn't know.
My lord.
But he has seen the records.
My lord.
What are the records? Maybe a marriage register,
My
or maybe Gaubura's register, or whatever.
My lord,
Now
may I-
this last line, the entire credence which we're trying to give on the particular secretary, that vanishes totally.
My lord, these documents were issued during the NRC. So there was robust documentation required to issue this certificate, my lord. So that is
Just
why
to see-
in the
See, Mr.
format
Aman-
it is written that.
see, Mr. Aman, you took pains rather in bringing this Parag Sharma to the witness box.
My lord.
When he comes, and his initial first part, he was very firm in the cross, he gave over it.
Right.
And that is the purpose of having the witness in the dock.
Well, the fact that he mentioned about this Gavura certificate. There is
That
some
has
basis to
destroyed,
it.
that has destroyed, demolished your case entirely. Certificate is of 2019. And if there was a certificate, he should have mentioned, yes, there was a certificate. What do you presume? You presume that there is a certificate of 2019, 23/3/2019, two certificates.
My lord.
Those are before us, not exhibited, not duly proved, but nonetheless, let us assume, but those are not relevant.
My lord, during issuing this exhibit list, page number 72, exhibit annexure 15, my lord. So this Gavura certificate is one of the documents required to issue those certificate. So it was issued during that relevant point of time, and the original copy would be with the GP secretary, my lord, in their office, my lord.
You have said that this is
That would
I
be
have not
both.
got, but this certificate is of such and such.
My lord.
Or you could have said, you could have annexed.
My lord. Because it
This
is in the
FT case
custody of
was
GP secretary, sir.
FT case, this is a very old case.
My lord.
We have also checked that. This is not a new registration. If you see the registration number, when was it registered? Have you checked?
Yes, Lordship, it's of 2006.
2006 registration.
And that certificate which he's relying on, that was only for the purpose of NRC for married women lordship. And that is issued in 15, and the Raubura certificate, even we had marked that out, lordship.
My lord, this is
All the records are contrary to the submissions, and
my lord, this is not a D-voter case. The border police accused her of being an illegal migrant. So before the notice is issued by the tribunal, she wouldn't be knowing that there is a case against her, because in all the voter list, she is not marked as D. So in 2015, she would be unaware that there is a case pending against her. Only when the notice is issued to her, she realized that there is a case. In the WS, in the evidence, she mentioned that I was not examined by the police, by the investigation authority.
But in the adjudication process before the tribunal,
My lord.
which is the very purpose to give you an effective opportunity to
My lord.
defend yourself, because the allegation is very serious,
Very serious.
doubting the citizenship.
My lord.
So, and that is done after an inquiry process where a prima facie finding is arrived at. But to set aside any doubts, further doubts, you are given a full chance. But section 9 says that the burden is entirely cast upon him.
It's on me, my lord.
You have to produce cogent evidence, reliable evidence, acceptable evidence. Get away.
Lord, my respectful submission is this, my lord. The brother appeared, my lord. Brother name is with the father. There is a
In
certificate.
fact, that name, Pulchan, he says, I am Pulchan. And that name, that voters list, mother is Begum, father is Himan.
My,
In particular,
my lord,
89 voter list has got three major discrepancy.
my lord, in the
Iman becomes Himan, Bibi becomes Begum, and he is not Pulchan, he is Pulchan. And we have seen the vernacular, it's Po.
my lord, it's
not
poor.
for.
It's poor, but my lord, during recording of this voter list, this kind of discrepancies is very normal, my lord.
Still, what would be the yardstick to become liberal? Iman, Himan, okay, accepted. Begum, Bibi, can we accept?
That my sincere apology, my lord. Sincere apology.
No, not because of your translation. That is another aspect. Even going by the vernacular, where Begum is there. Begum is Begum, Bibi is Bibi, and consistently in the earlier voter list, he was Bibi, never Begum. And we have not put another question to you. There, you have said that you have around five siblings.
Siblings, none of the
There,
names.
you are the fourth. You are the fourth.
My lord.
There are brothers also after Fulchan. Sister, okay, let us assume that married off. Where are their names in the voters list along with the father?
He was 19 years old. Fulsan was 19 years old then when his name was recorded in the voter list.
There are elder siblings. You are the number 4. Sabura is there. This Fulchan is there. Another.
Sabura must have been migrated to her husband.
That is it. There are 2 brothers at least.
Not because there are Gavura certificates.
No, I say, Mr. Ahmad, everything is possible, but you have to state it. Yes, I have a sister married off, so her name is not there. Because these questions will crop up immediately.
I agree with the lordship. My submission is that, my lord, in the Gao Panchayat Secretary certificate, he mentions about a Gavura certificate. He issued these Gao Panchayat secretaries based on that certificate, and also probably 1966 voter list also. There
No,
is a
probably will not do. He has to say he was
My-
a witness. he had all the liberty to say everything, disclose everything.
My
He
lord,
discloses in a chief, but in the cross, he
He-
forces like anything.
he said I was working. So by that,
Obviously, we have seen his age, he's 61.
my lord, by then
We have seen it.
he retired. So my respectful submission is, my lord, because there are three Gabura certificate, my lord. They were not cross-examined. That's a
They were
problem.
not even produced. What are you talking about cross
My
examination?
lord, my
Their
respectful
deposition is not
my
there.
lord, but your lordship is correct. My respectful submission is that the matter may be remanded, but they may be cross-examined, my lord. Because it's a matter of citizenship, my lord. My lord, I may be given one opportunity, my lord, because there are documents on record. There are documents on record. He may be
Those
cross-examined.
documents, otherwise also prima facie doesn't mean anything. Mr. Aman, sorry to say. We're repeating, page 66. Page 66.
My lord.
It is only for shifting of your parents, nothing to do with you.
There are two documents for shifting, one
68.
for linkage, my lord.
68, shifting, nothing to do with the, only thing is 70. Let us see 70, read 70.
My lord. Page 70, my lord. This is
Page
the
70.
linkage document.
Yes. Please read.
প্রমাণপত্র দেওয়া হল যে শরীফুল নেসা পিতা ইমান আলী মাতা ফুলমতি বিবি পণ্ডিতর পাম ডাকঘর শিলগুড়ি মৌজা পশ্চিম
Mongkor.
বংশৰ থানা হাজো শুৱালকুছি নদী আৰক্ষী জিলা কামৰূপ অসম এই মোৰ লটৰ লোক হয় মই এওঁক চিনি পাওঁ এওঁৰ ভৱিষ্যত জীৱন মংগল কামনা কৰিলো my respect is this person may be cross examined because there is a reference of Gabura certificate in the GP certificate too, Mila.
But this is 2019.
Mr. Ravan,
2019.
for the sake of argument, are you arguing or you have a base?
My lord,
For the sake of argument, you are arguing or you have a base?
my lord, this is my respectful submission, my lord.
Come back to you. Just. Difficulty is there.
Never put that one, okay?
We do not get it.
Where were you born?
Panditor Palm,
Then where are you married?
the same village, Panditor Palm.
Come to your written statement.
My lord. Ahmed Ali is also from Panditor Palm.
Come to your written statement.
My lord.
WS.
Yes, yes.
Page number 42.
42, my lord.
Read para 29.
Para 29, my lord. That the village headman of village Naparapam, namely Zakir Hussain, has
No
issued
Parapam, not Napara. No Para.
Naparapam. My lord.
No para. No
new.
para pump.
It's a new
Naparapam.
Para. No means new.
Then
No means new. It's
New.
na, it's not na. It's not Nagaon, it's Nagaon.
Yes, namely, Zakir Hussain has issued a certificate in the name of father of the proceedee, stating that Iman Ali, son of Mansub of village Naparapam, living at permanently due to erosion of river Brahmaputra, he shifted another place from Naparapam to village Hardiapam.
para 30.
38.
30.
30. That the village headman of village Hardiapam, namely Bharat Chandra Kolita, has issued certificate in the name of father of the proceedee, stating that the father of the opposite party, Iman Ali, and mother Pulmati Bibi, living at permanently village Hardiapam, and due to erosion of river Brahmaputra, shifted their residence from village Hardiapam to Panditorpam in bracket Tangunmari.
Then para 31.
That the village headman of village Panditorpam, bracket Tangunmari, namely Ghulam Mustafa, issued a certificate in the name of proceedee Sarifun Nessa, daughter of Iman Ali, mother Pulmati Bibi, living at permanently village Panditorpam, bracket Tangunmari, and Sarifun is the daughter of Iman Ali.
Then photocopy of village headman.
Is enclosed here with an extra key.
So the annexer IJK are the annexers, right?
My
Of
lord.
those village certificates.
My lord.
Now come to the evidence in affidavit of the proceeding. Okay. Before that, you can come also page number 47, additional written statement.
My lord.
Para 3, para page 47,
47, my lord.
para
Uh,
3.
My lord, that the secretary Bamundi Gaon Panchayat issued a certificate in the name of opposite party Saripur Nessa, daughter of late Iman Ali, mother Fulmati Bibi, president of village Tangonmari under 86 number Bamundi Gaon Panchayat under the Hazo Revenue Circle of Kamrup, Assam, opposite party married with Hamid Ali, Ismail, son of Ismail Ali of village Panditor Palm, Brigade Tangonmari under Hazo Revenue Circle of Kamrup, Assam. She migrated from the state Gaon Panchayat area to the above mentioned location by virtue of a marriage which was solemnized as aforesaid. It may be mentioned that the secretary certificate issued by the secretary marriage year wrongly recorded 2003 instead of 2001 and age has been recorded as 30 years instead of 32 years.
So that is photocopy of the certificate.
Photograph certificate issued by the secretary 86 Bamundi Gaon Panchayat is enclosed here with annexure L.
Very. Now, please come to your evidence in affidavit, page 73.
My lord.
Come to paragraph 29. Same thing. Now this is in affidavit. These are evidence in affidavit. Page 81.
My lord.
Initially, in your written statement, the three certificates were I, J, K, and the Gram Panchayat certificate was L.
My lord.
Now you read the evidence in affidavit, para 29.
That the village headman of village Noparapam, namely Zakir Hussain, has issued a certificate in the name of my father stating that Iman Ali, son of Mansuf Ali, village Noparapam, living at permanently due to erosion of river Brahmaputra, he shifted another place from village Noparapam to village Haldiarpam. Photocopy of the village headman certificate is enclosed here with the exhibit I.
And 30,
That the village headman of the village Haldiarpam, namely Bharat Chandra Kalita, has issued certificate in the name of my father stating that my father Iman Ali and mother Fulmati Bibi living at permanently at village Hardiapam, and due to erosion of the river Brahmaputra, they shifted their residence from Hardiapam to village Panditapam, Brigade Tangonmari. Photocopy of the village headman certificate is enclosed here as exhibit J.
exhibit
J.
J, 1031.
That the village headman of village Panditapam, Brigade Tangonmari, namely Ghulam Mustafa, has issued a certificate in my name, Saripun Nessa, daughter of Iman Ali, mother Fulmati Bibi, living at permanently at village Panditapam, Tangonmari, and Saripun is the daughter of Iman Ali. Photocopy of the village headman certificate is enclosed herewith as exhibit K.
Then read the next paragraph.
32, page 83, that the secretary Bamundi Gaon Panchayat issued a certificate in my name, that is Saripun Nessa, daughter late Iman Ali and Fulmati Bibi, residence village Tangonmari under Bamundi Gaon Panchayat in the Hazo Revenue Circle of Kamrup district of Assam, married with Hamid Ali, son of Ismail Ali and Hazira Khatun of village Tangonmari under Hazo Revenue Circle of the Kamrup district of Assam, that she migrate from the said Gaon Panchayat area to the above mentioned location, her marriage, which was solemnized as aforesaid. It may be mentioned here that in the secretary certificate, my marriage year is wrongly recorded 2003 instead of 2001, and the age has been wrongly recorded as 30 years instead of 32 years. Photocopy of the certificate issued by the secretary Bamundi Gaon Panchayat is enclosed herewith as exhibit L.
Murwa. Ms. Marma, show him page number 50 from the record. Page 50,
Yes, Lordship.
annexure I.
Yes, Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain,
Yes, Lordship.
page 51, Annexure J,
Yes,
those
Some
two certificates
police
about his father, right?
My lord.
Then Annexure K, page 52,
Raman Patro, Mustafa.
Right.
Yes,
that is Mustafa. In our case, in petition, it is page 70. Now come to page number 41.
writ petition,
No, this record.
41.
41. This is the certificate.
Yes, Lord.
Now the exhibits, IJKL, page number 87. 87 of the record. 87
Yes,
is the original of
Zakir
Annexure.
Hussain.
That is issued by,
Mohammed
no,
Zakir.
issued by Zakir Hussain.
Government
Page
had.
number
been-
66 in our read petition.
Yes,
Then page number 88. Issued by Bharat Chandra Kolita.
yes, Lordship.
That is an exhibit
J.
J.
We have 68 in the writ petition.
68
Yes.
in the read. Then
Mustafa,
exhibit K, page number 89.
Ghulam Mustafa.
Ghulam Mustafa, we are having in page 70. Then come to page number 90,
Yes, 72.
page 72.
That,
It is the proceedings case.
Yes,
In her written statement as well as in evidence in affidavit clearly stated that these are the three certificates issued by the Gaon Buras,
which were placed
and the Panchayat Secretary have issued
on the basis of these
certificate
certificates.
at page 72, exhibit L.
Right.
So there was no other certificate
Except
before the
these
Gaon
three.
Bura, before the Panchayat Secretary, accepting these three certificates.
Yes,
Those are exhibits.
already.
How you can say that you're maybe something before him or something indirectly?
No, this is not my case that these documents were
Give us the,
submitted
this
before.
is the case of the proceeding before the trial. She relied on these three Gaon Bura certificates and nothing else.
Madam, what do you want to say?
Lordship, I would like to place some citations on approving of the
Miss
certificate.
Verma, that's one.
Yes, Lordship. It will know.
Come to page number. HSA, Mr. This is the evidence of
The
cross and
petition.
evidence of the proceeding. Kindly read.
I have casted my first vote in 2005 at Ponditaropam after marriage and continued till date. Name of my parent is late Iman Ali and Fulmati Bibi. My mother casted vote in 1966. My father also casted vote in 1960 at Naupara village. I was born at Panditaropam village. My father shifted from Naupara to Hardiapam in 1977 and then to Panditaropam in 1989. My father casted vote in 1966 and 1970 at Naupara. He casted vote in 1989 at Panditaropam and died in 1990. I did not submit any land document of Naupara and Panditaropam. I do not know if any other person named Iman Ali resided at Naupara and Hardiapam except my father. My father had two other
brothers.
brothers, namely late Farhad Ali and late Arman Ali. I do not remember when they died. I have three brothers and two sisters, namely Noor Jahan Bibi, Fulchan Ali, Sabura Khatun, Hafizuddin, myself, Said Ali, and I was born in 1983 at Panditaropam village. It is not
Twice you said that in that particular paragraph, you have born, you was born at Panditaropam.
my lord,
And also in the last part, you said you was born in Panditaropam, India, 1983.
my lord.
Whereas in the same, you said that your father had shifted to Panditaropam in the year 1989.
Yet in all document it was an evidence in written.
Yes. Ms. Verma,
Lordship, the only linked document which the petitioner is relied on is the GP certificate, Lordship. And the Gaubura certificate. Gaubura was not proved, Lordship, and the GP certificate is not admissible in evidence, Lordship. And GP certificate is not admissible for two reasons, Lordship. Because Government of Assam is embossed on top of the certificate, and we have a citation to that. That is WPC 7756.
Which Gaubura certificate?
I have
Which Gaubura
cross of
certificate
DW3, Lordship, which I'm
Huh?
GP certificate, Lordship.
Where is it, Gaubura?
Page,
Where is the emblem?
not the emblem, Lordship, the certificate, the format which Lordship was reading out for the purpose of NRC. That cannot be used here, Lordship.
There is nothing here.
There is the page 71, Lordship will come to page 71. Page
We have the
72,
original one.
page 72, Lordship will see Government of Assam, Office of the Secretary, so and so is written. This cannot be written here, Lordship. We have a citation to this effect, Lordship.
What is that?
Citation, I was just reading out, it's WPC double.
These are all photo state. Right.
Yes,
anyway.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Because this has already been decided earlier, Lordship, that Government of Assam cannot be written. So, may I take Lordship to
Mr. Rawat, take
WPC,
this.
WPC 7756 of
What has
2000.
been stated there?
It,
What has
I
been
will
stated?
read it out, Lordship. This certificate was exhibited in one of the cases where this honorable court has held. Exhibit D is a certificate dated so and so issued by the secretary, Goraibari Gaon Panchayat, certifying that Khudeja Khatun was the daughter of Janab Ali. At the top of the certificate, Government of Assam was prominently printed. It was also mentioned in the certificate that the same was issued on the basis of the evidence placed before the secretary. 15.1 says, firstly, this document does not appear to be a genuine document in as much as a Gaon Panchayat is not a department of the Government of Assam. Therefore, Gaon Panchayat is not authorized to use a letterhead with Government of Assam printed therein. Secondly, the secretary of the Gaon Panchayat did not testify before the tribunal along with the evidence
That's
on
a
the
different
basis
part.
of which
But here the secretary has testified. What is the
Yes, I-
WPC number?
WPC number is 7756 of 2016.
Date of disposal?
Date of disposal is 26/4/2018, Lordship.
Name?
Khudeja Khatun, KHUDEJA. Khudeja Khatun, KHATOON. I'm referring to paragraph 15.1, 15.1,
15.1.
15.1.
Hmm.
15.1 says, Lordship,
Hmm.
this document does not appear to be a genuine document in as much as a Gaon Panchayat is not a department of the Government of Assam. Therefore, Gaon Panchayat is not authorized to use a letterhead with Government of Assam printed therein. Secondly, the secretary of the Gaon Panchayat did not testify before the tribunal
Here it
along
is
with the
testified.
evidence.
Here the
Yes,
secretary has testified, DW3.
yes. Lordship, the second one is how it
Madam,
has to be proved.
Madam, on this point, we are on a different aspect.
Yes, Lordship.
We, for the time being, let us ignore the format. Use
Then
of,
again, the
no, the use, he has used Government of Assam, which may not per se make the contents nullity. It may be a misuse of power.
yes, Lord.
We are examining the contents of the certificate.
Then we'll
And
come
while
to,
examining, we have come to know that so far as the last line is concerned,
yes,
that
Lord.
the certificate is based on evidence placed before me, that has not been able to be substantiated. Rather, what he has said turns out to be contrary to the materials on record.
Materials
We
on-
are on that.
So,
No,
Lordship,
this
we can-
citation is okay. Gaon Panchayat is not a part of the government of Assam, so you cannot use. But that whether the contents itself, all the contents will go, that is something debatable.
then we'll refer to Rupjan Begum, where Supreme Court has clarified, Lordship. It's 2018 1 SCC
What
579
has
that
been said?
Rupanjan.
Rupjan,
Rupajan.
Rupjan.
Rupa,
Rupa.
It's RUPJAN.
Where?
RUPA,
The,
In the
it's,
judgment.
yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
RUPA.
Rupjan Begum.
You sure?
Lordship,
What is the
it is here-
citation?
A citation is 2018-1 SCC 579.
One SSA, 5, 7.
79.
I think it's Rupajan. I'll
But-
give
but-
Rupa.
Here it is RUP, Lordship. I'm reading out from a judgment.
Maybe citation, yeah, maybe, because we have clarified it is Rupajan.
So I'll have to correct it in this.
It is Rupajan.
I'm reading
SSC
it from Khudeja Khatun.
That's why
RUPAJ.
you are saying it should not be pronounced as
Yes.
2018.
Lordship, Rupajan.
No, Lordship says it's Rupajan.
Madam, there are, since we have remembered this, there are certain citations, not citations, case number, which you have noted wrongly and it was conveyed to us
Rupajan, yes.
incorrectly.
Correct.
It is
So we have lot of
Rupajan.
problems
Yes,
in
Lordship.
Borhan.
RUPAJAN.
Borhan, you had said you have cited Borhan in one case.
Yes, Lordship.
You had cited some other WPC. And it has been Borhan is also by this
There
time,
are two Borhans we are referring to, Lordship.
your Borhan only.
Borhan
Twen-
Ali.
Borhan Ali 27.1 paragraph.
Was it relying on the voters list, Lordship?
You tell us what is the citation you have.
7669 of 2016.
Yes, that is also reported.
Yes, reported.
2018 4 GLT 392.
So I don't have the reported one. I have the WPC
You
one
can,
decided.
you can write the reported. It's not
I
reported.
will take it down. Lordship.
2018 4 GLT 392.
That is one. Another
2018
is there, no?
4 GLT
Borhan, this is
392.
Borhan.
39.
2. The paragraph
Not advised,
27.1 you had related that extract of voters is not an admissible as it
Yes.
is only not a certified copy. Voter
Yes.
list to be read as a whole and not in part.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. That is for voters list extract is the other one which we were referring to, Lordship. That is WPC 6280 of
That is
2016.
Tutamia. That also
Tutamia.
you have said Tutamia. You said Tuta.
Tota, TOTA.
Tuta. You broken Mia.
Yes,
Tutamia.
Lordship.
Tutamia alias Tuta.
Mohammed Totamia. Lordship, which other mistake I made, Lordship?
You said, you said,
I want to correct, I want to correct them.
you said Tutumia alias Tuta. It's not Tutu.
Actually,
It's
what-
Tuta.
It's Tota. Okay.
Sometimes you're printing because we say from this, right? That's why. Tutamia
Actually, it's
2000.
Elias's Lordship,
2018
it's Tota and
3GLT.
Tota.
Tuta is also reported. You can write down.
Yes, Lordship.
2018. Why should we assist you? Sorry.
Lordship will complete it.
2018. Not to you, only to my elder brother. You don't write. 2018. 3GLT 562.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes, next.
Lordship, next is Rupajan. Lordship
Rupajan
would
is
like.
there, we know. Then
Yes, Lordship.
Pajan, what is this contention?
Paragraph 15 and 16.
that's only for the purpose of.
That
NRC.
such a certificate of a Gao Panchayat secretary is by no means proof of citizenship. Such a certificate has to be verified at two stages. At the first stage, authenticity of the certificate itself is required to be verified to find out to whether it is genuine or not. The second stage of verification relates to
Paragraph?
15 and 16, Lordship. Contemporary Lordship, none of the voters list contains the names of the siblings that we had also marked it out. And there was one more point. The GP certificate which Lordship has also seen was issued in 2015 and all the village Taubura and headman certificates are issued in 2019. So there is lot of discrepancies in the certificates which have been placed before the tribunal. And the petitioner has not been able to prove her linkage with her father at all, Lordship, with the projected father and even the brother, Lordship.
Mr. Rahman, you want to say something? Any further?
My lord, my respectful submission, my lord, that the brother has appeared before the learned tribunal, which will come under section 50 of the Evidence Act, my lord. There is a document on record, GP Secretary certificate. He has appeared before the learned tribunal. And there are 3 Gaubra certificates, 2 are linked, 2 are shifting, 1 linkage, my lord. Now, I completely accept his on record is the Gaubra did not appear. He was not cross-examined. So my respectful submission is not, because there are evidence to prove that the petitioner is the daughter of a person whose name is recorded in 1960s and 70, my lord. I may be given one opportunity, my lord, to cross-examine the Gaubura who has given a linkage document, my lord. And even the GP secretary as DW3 who appeared, he said that the document was issued on the based on Gaubura certificate. And the learned counsel for the respondent has also argued that these documents were accepted only after due verification and strict scrutiny, my lord. So these documents were accepted. That was annexed before the learned tribunal. And the issuing authority has also come before the learned tribunal and deposed. And he has not questioned the authenticity of the document, just that he did not bring the document on which this document was issued, my lord. And by the time he
He
retired,
says he doesn't know her personally.
that is possible,
That is fatal.
my lord. That
If
is
you
poss-
don't know a person personally,
my lord.
then you have to, if you're giving a certificate, it has to be on basis of certain records, acceptable records. There are no records, not even a single document.
Mm.
3 documents are post-dated,
My lord.
not at all relevant. We have checked the entire records, not even a relevance to any other document which is pre-2015.
My lord, this is not my case that these documents were submitted before the GP secretary. Before the GP secretary,
no.
there will be different document.
That is it. We have
Different
checked the record.
My lord.
There is not even a single document pre-2015, may not be exhibited, may not be proved.
That is before
Any reference, nothing.
that is before the Gau Panchayat secretary, my lord. That is before the Gau Panchayat. He did not bring it before the tribunal. He did not bring it before the tribunal. And by the time he retired, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Aman, we could have even considered
My lord.
your submission. Not to talk about accepting, we would have considered. If he would have said, yes, there are documents which I have not brought, and these Gaon Panchayat certificates which are on record are not those certificates. There is not even a whisper.
My lord, he says certificate was issued on the basis of Gaubura
Yes.
certificate, my lord.
Then, thereafter,
My lord. He says that, but I have not brought the Gaubura certificate.
okay, then
Considering the fact that
then
he retired, my lord.
then what would be the next step? Let us check whether what are the Gaubura certificates available on record. We find certificates of 2019. He could
My
have
lord,
said, he could
my
have
lord,
said,
the very fact, my lord, the very fact that there is a Gaubura certificate on record for issuing this document, my lord. My lord, my respectful submission, my lord. This may be brought before the tribunal, my lord. That whether there is a Gaubura certificate or not, my lord. If there is no certificate, my lord, your lordship might discard this document.
Whose case is this? Who is supposed to prove under section 9 of the Foreigners Act?
My lord, my responsibility was to bring this
No
person,
point of
DW3, before the
extending
learned
it
tribunal.
further. You just say,
My
as per
lord-
section 9, who is required to prove?
My lord, it is my responsibility, my lord. I submit before your lordship. There is absolutely no doubt about it. And there is a Gaubura certificate on record before the Gau Panchayat. So because he did not bring it, my lord, I may be given one opportunity, my lord. I did tried my best to exercise my burden, my lord, or at least on this document, my lord. This is my respectful submission, my lord. At least on this document, my lord, this person will be cross-examined again, and this document will be brought before the learned tribunal.
If we are under certificate, because they cannot go beyond the
okay,
already placed before the.
we'll consider, let us see.
But Mr. Rita Prior. Ms. Verma. Mr. Hadarika. They're in conflict. Okay. Item number 3.
Obliged.
Lordship, the contested case, my lord, MP in order is 72, my lord. The whereby the petitioner has been declared as a foreigner, my lord, after 71. The petitioner is submitted, my lord, relevant documents and exhibited 17 documents, my lord, along with 5 witnesses, my lord, including himself. The 2 gavuras to the senior persons, my lord, and he himself produced his documents along with they have come forward, my lord, and exhibited documents, my lord, since 1946, my lord, and his grandfather's name is appeared, my lord, in the revenue, which is a revenue receipt, my lord, is 34, my lord, 33. His grandfather's name is Ais Paramanak, sometimes is Aizuddin, my lord, and father's name is Abu Bakr, sometimes is Bakr Ali. And his name has been appeared in the voter list of 1989, along with his mother.
Okay. Yes.
So Mubarak, in the written statement, where have you stated the names of your parents?
Paragraph 14, my lord, page 23.
No, this is not a statement regarding the names. You say that, please read. We have read this at page 14, page 20, paragraph 14, page 22. Please read.
That the opposite party's parents' name has been appeared as Bakkar
Has been appeared.
Okay.
That is how it appeared. What are the names actual? Have you stated anywhere?
We have filed affidavit, my lord.
Where? No, we want to know the names, actual name, as per your projection. What are the name? What is the name of your father and mother?
How Bakkar, my lord. How Bakkar.
Where have you stated? No, anywhere else in the, you want to record the name.
Lordship. Paragraph 19, Lordship.
Paragraph
19,
of the written statement,
Lordship.
page
Page 23, my
2, 3.
Lord.
Yes, please.
That the opposite party and his mother's name has been appeared as Ayatollah Sona Mumtaz and Dublai Nasa wife Mumtaz in the voter list of 2005 under 60 number Burkit LSC White part number so and so, home number so and so, serial number so and so and so and so. The actual and correct name of the father of opposite OP and the husband name of the Dublai Nasa is Abu Bakr Ilyas Bakr.
Abu Bakr.
Right.
Okay. Let us see the documents. Voters list.
Voter list of 1955, my lord.
See, you were born in somewhere in the year
Damdama.
1970.
Right.
Roundabout. You have declared your age as 48 in 2018 while filing this writ petition.
Right.
So, if we deduce, your year of birth should be somewhere in 1970.
70, Lord.
So you show the voters list of you and your father together.
Along with mother, my lord.
Mother, okay,
Lord.
where?
89, my lord.
89.
Lord.
Voter list of 1989.
Lord.
Page.
Yes, Lordship, 48, Annexure 11.
Is a certified copy.
These are photocopy, my lord. The electoral officer also summoned, my lord. They appeared and they have
Photocopy will not do. It's a public.
page 70, Lordship, kindly. Page 70.
70.
70, my lord. Lordship, kindly see.
What do you want to show from here?
Lordship, 1985 father's name appeared, my lord.
Hmm.
89 the petition name appeared, my lord. Page 71.
Hmm?
Page 71.
Hmm.
And 97 also appeared, my lord. Mark as D.
So this is 1985. Initially this was the voter list,
Lordship.
but this is the next part is the deleted voter list.
Next, my lordship, kindly see.
It has been deleted.
Thereafter, my lord. Bottom, my lord. Earlier it was deleted.
Now that's in 1989.
Lordship.
House number is different.
House number different, my lord.
Even part number is different.
See, what we are finding very intriguing or other unacceptable inconsistency, come to your
45.
page, around, start from page 57. You have tried to link yourself Ayatullah with Abu Bakr,
Oh,
Elias Bakr and Dublai Nessa,
Lordship.
mother.
Lordship.
Now here in 57, this voter list for 2005,
Lordship.
Dublai Nessa is the wife of one Muntaz.
Lordship, it is wrongly enumerated, my lord, and
Ayatullah, son of Muntaz,
Lordship.
not here only.
Lordship, in the
You come to the epic at page 59.
Lordship.
59, your photograph Ayatullah, son of Muntaz.
Lordship.
Again, in the 2016 voters list, Ayatullah, son of Muntaz.
Lordship.
Then in 17, it becomes Ayatullah Paramanik, son of Bakr.
Lordship. And I have stated, my lord, and there is an order, my lord, Annexure 1, my lord, 17 to 2017, my lord. Before filing my written statement, my lord, I have stated before the learned court below, my lord, as I am the son of Abu Bakr, not Muntaz. Muntaz is my father-in-law, my lord. And I claim to be son of Bakr, and I have filed this written statement as a son of Abu Bakr. Page 17, Lord.
Your father was originally from Borpeta district.
Lordship, Damdama.
Damdama. Then he shifted.
Then shifted, my lord.
Where?
I shifted.
You shifted.
I shifted. My father is not shifted.
Where did you shift?
Number 2 Kekan Kusuma. Borket PLC, my lord.
Which village did you come to?
Number 2 Kekan Kusuma.
Not Kaldi.
Not Kaldi, my lord. Nearby village Kaldi.
Why here village Kaldi has been written?
Lordship.
Your EPIC, it is Kaldi. Why?
Kaldi and number 2 Kekan Kusuma is adjusted village.
You are a descendant of Kekanakusi, right?
Kekan Kusuma, Lord.
So Kekanakusi, it is not there in the anywhere in the EPIC or anything else. Even in your page 70, which you are relying, doesn't show.
Lordship. The 70, Lordship, it is only for the voter list of Borpeta district, my lord.
Page number 65. Exhibit 15.
Lordship.
Kindly read.
প্রমাণপত্র দেওয়া হয় যে আয়াতুল্লাহ পিতা বক্কার আলী মানুষজন জনি বরপেটা জেলার বগুড়িবাড়ি মৌজার তারাবাড়ি থানার অন্তর্গত দমদমা গাঁওর বাসিন্দা আছিল। উক্ত লড়াজনের পিতা 1971 সনের ভোটার তালিকার নাম থাকা দেখা যায়। 2017 সনের ইমান নম্বর সেঙ্গা সমষ্টি it should be wrong, my lord. It should be 1971. It was written as 2017.
Then
গাঁৱৰ দমদমা 54 নম্বৰ চেঙা সমষ্টিৰ ক্ৰমিক নম্বৰ 1245 ঘৰ নম্বৰ 174। এওঁৰ বিষয়ে মই ভালদৰে জানো, এওঁৰ স্বভাৱ চৰিত্ৰ ভাল, এওঁৰ ভৱিষ্যত উন্নতি কামনা কৰক।
why you have placed this document before the tribunal? Why? For what? For what?
My name appear, my father's name appear in the voter list number
For
1971.
that purpose.
Lord.
Have you annexed the evidence of this particular village headman?
Lordship,
That this village headman given any
Lordship,
this evidence?
Lordship.
Where is it? Which page?
In the LCR, my lord, I have not seen my lord. LCR.
Huh?
I have not seen LCR, my lord.
Have you annexed here?
In the writ
No, my
petition.
lord, no.
In the writ petition,
ma'am.
you have not. Okay.
But I have
Now,
copy,
who
my
have
lord.
issued this is Ilimuddin.
Ilimuddin, Lordship.
Now listen what he has said before the court.
Lordship.
He is opposite party 4, witness number 4.
Lordship. One oath. Mary, Lord. মই 1986 চনৰ পৰা গাঁওবুঢ়া হৈ আছো। মোৰ লাটত দমদমা, ধামাপাৰা আৰু মাজৰচৰ গাঁও কেইখন আছে। মই আয়াতুল্লাহ পিতা মৃত বাক্কাৰ আলী এখন প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিছো। আয়াতুল্লাহ 1970-71 চনলৈকে মোৰ লাটত আছিল। তাৰ পিছত তেওঁলোক বান্দালিত আছিল। বৰ্তমান তেওঁলোক কেকানত থাকে। 1970 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকা চাই প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিছো। 1970 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকা বাক্কাৰ আলীৰ নাম আয়াতুল্লাহ বাবা আছে। ভোটাৰ তালিকা 1970 চনৰ আৰু উপৰঞ্চি 1971 চনৰ। 1970 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত আয়াতুল্লাহৰ মাকৰ নাম দুবলাই খাতুন আছে। By
Just
court.
pause for a while. So, he said before the tribunal, or he stated he deposed that only by looking at the voter list of 1970,
70,
he has
Lordship.
given this particular
Lordship.
certificate to the prosecutor. Now, on being inquired by court, you just read.
বাই কোর্ট প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ পোৱাৰ বাবে কোনো দৰখাস্ত দিয়া নাছিল। আয়াতুল্লাহ যে বাক্কাৰৰ ল'ৰা হয়, সেই প্ৰমাণৰ কাৰণে প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিয়াৰ সময়ত কোনো নথি চোৱা নাই। 1971 চনৰ উপৰঞ্চি ভোটাৰ তালিকা চোৱা বুলি প্ৰমাণপত্ৰত লিখা নাই। প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিয়া প্ৰমাণ হিচাপে মোৰ ওচৰত কোনো নথি নাই। Nothing.
Right?
Lordship.
Then come to page number 67. This is another certificate.
Lordship.
Read. This is from the village headman of
Lordship.
Kekankuchi.
প্রমাণপত্র দেওয়া হয় যে আয়াতুল্লাহ পরমানি পিতা মৃত বাক্কার 2 নম্বর কেকানকুচি গাঁও 2 নম্বর কেকানকুচি মৌজা উত্তরপক্ষে থানা মুকালমা জেলা নলবাৰী অসম। আয়াতুল্লাহ পৰমানি মোৰ অন্তৰ্গত কোনো জাতি সাধাৰণ শ্ৰেণীৰ পিছপৰা অন্যান্য জাতিৰ স্থায়ী বাসিন্দাৰ লোক হয়। আদাৰ্স নাথিং। মই এওঁক ভালদৰে জানো চিনি।
Then read the evidence of the particular.
5
Uh,
1979 চনৰ 3 মাৰ্চৰ পৰা গাঁওবুঢ়া হৈ আছো। মোৰ লাটৰ অধীনত গাঁও 4খন। 1 নম্বৰ 2 নম্বৰ কেকানকুচি ঘৰুৱা বাহা আৰু ঘৰুৱা বাহা পথাৰ। 2 নম্বৰ কেকানকুচিৰ আয়াতুল্লাহ পৰমানিক এখন প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিছো। তাত থকা চিল চহী মোৰ। তেওঁ 2005 আগৰ পৰা চিনি পাওঁ।
তেওঁ মোৰ লাটৰ মানুহ হিচাপে প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিছে বাই কোৰ্ট প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিয়াৰ সম্বন্ধে চমনত উল্লেখ থকা স্বত্বেও মই আদালতত অনা নাই প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ পোৱাৰ বাবে তেওঁ কোনো দৰখাস্ত দিয়া নাছিল প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিয়াৰ সময়ত মই কোনো নথিপত্ৰ চোৱা নাই স্থায়ী বাসিন্দাৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিব মাটি বাৰীৰ নথিপত্ৰ চাব লাগে মই চোৱা নাই
Right? So how you have proved before the tribunal that you are a son of Abu Bakr? How you have proved?
in the voter list of 1989 my lord
Voter
Mine-
list of
1989
Page,
lordship Just 48 my lord mine is
Not a certified copy.
it was proved by the election commission my lord
How?
Just 70 my lord Just 70 this is my lord although they have someone has been issued to them my lord the authenticity they have replied
How it has been?
how is page 70 proved?
they have someone my lord
Did somebody come to the witness box?
no they have only this application letter have been forwarded to the
Is that, will that meet the requirement of proof? You can write a letter to the adjudicating authority that this is my deposition. Where is he before the tribunal for cross-examination?
nothing.
That is not proved.
Nothing.
You can say that there is an official document
Lordship.
to link page 48, the
Lordship.
voter list of 1989.
Lordship.
But that official document also was summons issued to him.
Lordship.
He did not come.
He did not come and send this letter.
Should have taken recourse to the provisions of the orders of 1964. How can a witness refuse to come?
And in the order also reflected, my lord, that this is on page 76, my lord. It may be noted that by the order dated 19/4/17, the election officer Borpeta was summoned, and in response of the summon, the election officer Borpeta submitted a letter dated so and so 13/6/17 and furnished the relevant voter list of 1985, 89, and 1997. But the voter list of 1961 and 71 could not be submitted, as the same were not available in the office, which is reflected in the order dated 15/6/17 as well as in the letter dated 13/6/17 of election officer Borpeta.
Mr. Bank,
Just for your purpose. 85, 89, right? We have already stated that the house number and the part numbers were different. In 85, Dubulai Nisa was 30 years. But the 85, their voter name, their names have been deleted from the voter list. Then in 89, say Dubulai Nisa became 45. maybe the same one. And in the 97, she became 45. We have said house numbers are different, part numbers are different. Anyway, come back at 2.
On mention, I may be allowed.
Uh-huh.
Item 7, my lord, it is the order, he is in custody, my lord. I am told in yesterday night, my lord, the person is suffering from illness. So a report may be called from single cell, my lord. For some time, I know that.
We take up your dismissal tomorrow. Tomorrow.
We'll take it up finally.
Finally, we'll take up tomorrow. Kali to admission. We'll take it as a first item for taking up dismissal.
My lord.
After
7.
motions.
7.
Okay. For considering.
His illness, yesterday night he informed me. That is why, my lord.
Tomorrow we'll take.
My lord.
আর বেলেগ যিবিলাকত ৰেকৰ্ড নাই সেইকেইটা আগে ৰেকৰ্ড থকা যদি মুক্ত নাথাকে একো মেনটেন কৰিব তেখেত খালি ৰাতিপুৱা আমাক কৈ দিব যে এইটো দৰকাৰ Yes, Mr. Payne.
My lord, your lordship may kindly see the page 70-71, my lord. This is voter list of 1985. They are relying. The 85 is a deleted voter list, my lord.
Page 70.
Yes.
That's been deleted voter list. We have
Yes,
seen
that is
already
deleted voter list. And 71 is, my lord, they are relying that 71, page 18, my
That's
lord, 71.
1989 voter list.
1989 voter list. His claim is that this Ayatollah Paramanik is the petitioner who was aged about 29 years in 1989 and whose mother has been recorded as Dabulal Nisa and who has also been recorded as wife of our relative as Bakkar Malak, who was aged about 45 years. Now, immediately thereafter, Madam, in 1997, the voter list, your lordship may kindly see. Here, all this petitioner, both the persons, Madam, Dabulal Nisa and Ayatollah Paramanik. The Dabulal Nisa in the next, down below, my lord, Dabulal Nisa has been marked as D. Whether wife or daughter, it is not known, my lord. Bakkar is the relative name, and she is aged about 45 years. Age is consistent. And Ayatollah Paramanik, his age is decreasing, my lord. His age is decreasing from 1989, my lord. 1989, he was 29 years. Now he is, my lord, 25 years in 1997. So both these Dublai Nisa and Ayatollah Paramanik was devoted in 1997.
This time, Dublai Begum.
Yes, Dublai Begum, my lord. Dublai Begum and Ayatollah Paramanik, both are, my lord, devoted. Now, the
But
most
Ayatollah Paramanik was 29 years old in 1989.
89, his age decreased, my lord.
He goes to 25 after 10
25
years.
after 10 years. After 9 years, 8
9
years, my
years,
lord.
8 years.
After 8 years.
That means 8.
He become 25.
and 4. 12 years difference.
12 years. His age decreased. So rightly, they were, my lord, marked as devoted. Now, my lord, even though so 1989, there is one, my lord, Dublai Nisa and Ayatollah Paramanik. So they confirmed that in 1989, there was one Dublai Nisa and Ayatollah Paramanik. That is the only confirmation from this voter list, my lord. Now, your lordship may kindly, what we want, my lord, we want, my lord, that the petitioner who is claiming to be citizen of India, he has to prove himself, establish himself that he is in India prior to 1971, or his parents would be there prior to 1971. From the records, my lord, there is no document of this Bakkar Ali or Abu Bakkar Siddiq, whoever it may be, my lord, who is seen to be, my lord, in India prior to 1985.
Mr. Payne.
Yes.
Just a minute. Mr. Kuli, you need to answer. This 70 is 71.
Lordship.
In 1997 voter list, they have been shown to be one. Dubulai Begum has been shown to be a D voter.
Yes, Lordship.
Ayatollah Paramonik has been sent to be a D voter.
Yes,
Jaigun Nessa has also been shown to be a D voter.
yes.
But the petitioner has annexed the voter list of
2005.
certified copy of voter list. Rest are not certified. Page number 57, 58 is a certificate. Here, this is a 2005 voter list.
Yes,
Got
Lordship.
it, page number 58.
Yes, yes, very good.
One Dubulai Nessa and Swami Mumtaz, then Ayatollah,
Yes, Lord.
Father Mumtaz.
Sultan.
Again, this is 28. The name of Jaigun Nessa is not there.
Yes,
And this doesn't show if it is the petitioner. Then
because
they are
Mumtaz
not as a D voter.
not the and then
This is in 2005.
5 minutes.
We don't know. If it is a 2005, he is a the petitioner is a D voter, then why EPIC has been issued in his name? If it is the EPIC at page 59,
Yes, because I was saying
even
EPIC
to the D voters, you are issuing why?
no, Lordship, what I am saying, Lordship, because if it is Ayatollah,
Hmm.
then it is Mumtaz, Your Lordship. The relation name is Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Whereas the D which is marked is Bakkar, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
So it has to be confirmed whether they are the same person.
So that is the difference. Why I am saying this is they are from they are from Bandali Reserve,
Yes, Lordship. Bandali Reserve
but
1987.
this Ayatollah at page 59.
It is.
The village is Kaldi.
Uswa Pathar. Uswa Pathar Kaldi.
Kaldi,
Kaldi, yes.
because you see, up to 1997, they have this police station was Tarawari.
Yes, Lordship.
Now the police station is
Mukalma.
Mukalma.
Mukalma. It has to be. The villages are different, Your Lordship, and the relationship is also different. Here, the Mumtaz comes in, prior it was Bakkar, Your Lordship. And if the same person is obtaining the EPIC, then he has misrepresented facts, Your Lordship, by giving different name, Your Lordship, because from Bakkar he has given, now it is Mumtaz, Your Lordship.
Before going to this aspect, your lordship may kindly see the reference at page 9 in the record.
Okay, which is 43.
Reference is against Jayatullah of son of Mumtaz, my lord. Page 9 in the record, my lord. So it is against the Ayatollah son of Mumtaz.
Mr. Mubarak, your explanation regarding Mumtaz and Abu Bakr being the same or there being some discrepancy, it's not, somehow it's not, cannot be accepted. You just compare page 61 and 71. Mr. Payang has already shown the age discrepancy of 89 and 97. Mr. Payang?
Yes,
And just compare with page 61.
yes.
The 2016 voter list, correct? 16 voter list. Ayatollah Pita Mumtaz, age 36.
Yes.
2016, he's 36. This son of Mumtaz, he's 36, and 89, he was 29. And 97, he was 25. From neither of the voters list, all three are different.
It's a
And the discrepancy is not a minor difference of 1 year, 2 years. Huge difference.
10, 20 years.
The mother name also 1989, 45, and 1997 also 45.
Even the legislative assembly is different. In 1997, it is 47 Sengha legislative assembly, and in 2005, it is 60 Borketri.
No, page 71.
Village is different, everything
It
is
is,
different.
everything is different.
89, my lord, 89 and 1997. Release same, my lord. The double liners are S45 and 97 also 45.
And Jayagon is your wife.
Why?
Then where is she in the, in 2016?
2005.
Not here, my lord.
2016 Jayagon,
Only one,
2017?
only Aidullah is there. Only one.
You say that Mumtaz is your father-in-law.
Lordship.
But what about the age?
I have stated in my WS, my lord, that there is a discrepancy, my lord.
Age, what is the discrepancy? Is it 1 year, 2 years?
In 1989, his age should be 19 years, my lord. It is reflected in 29 years. At the first time, my lord.
Okay, let us assume that it should have been 19. Then how do you connect the age at page 61?
And
2016 will he be 36 years? If 89 is 19 years,
Lordship.
in 2016 he will be 36 years. He will be 46 years.
40.
First, you have not exhibited, not proved in accordance with law. Even otherwise, the document do not inspire any confidence.
Minus 1963. Seven.
Very good. Mumtaz, avec Mumtaz. DNA worker.
The record reveals, Mr. Kuli, the other Ali, that the voter list, subsequent voter list in the name of one Ayatullah Poromani, son of Bokkar, then again Ayatullah, son of Mumtaz. They're not the There is also in 2017, I don't know how they are procuring it, but they
Even a son of Bokkar, we have seen.
Bokkar, but this is from village Kaldi.
As for the record that has been submitted by the department, that is of village mostly written.
Bandali.
Bandali and of single estimation. What it is to the hotel, I think that only there is a 430 estimation.
In my cross-examination, it will be our member. Where I've stated my lord.
But how come a person whose name figured in the 2016 as Ayatullah, son of Mumtaz, with EPIC FP F4741917, same, been shown as Ayatullah Poromani, son of Bokkar,
Yes.
in the voter list of 2017.
Not the file for correction of name. Because as per instruction, now EPI, when today someone is going for correction, your press EPI is not being issued, but online the documents it will be seen that this correction is done. That can be entered on. I will tell you after that.
Form 8, my lord. I have stated in our
Because the submitted some document showing that Mumtaz is not the correct name.
in my cross-examination also, my lord. May I read, my lord? 8 নং ফর্ম রিসিভ কপি মোক দিয়া নাই। 8 নং ফর্ম জমা দিয়ার প্রমাণ হিসাবে কোনো নথি আদালত জমা দিয়া নাই। 8 নং ফর্ম জমা দিয়ার কথা মোর সাক্ষীর শপথনামাত লিখা নাই।
And since he was not marked as D in this voter list of assembly of 60 Borkhetri lordship, so this APIC was corrected.
In fact, what my understanding is, my lord, it's a game played by the petitioner. If he is the same person also, once his name has been shown as the voter in 1997 voter list, he sends his father's name. As well as even the murders against mother name also, the husband name is also changed. Mumtaz. So for mother to hide himself or themselves.
Yes, Mr. Payang has a point. If
Yes.
Mumtaz is your father-in-law, then against your mother, why Mumtaz has come?
Lordship, I in my cell deed, my lord. Cell deed also my father's name also recorded, my lord.
As-
Bakka in 2003, my lord.
So this continues for
It might
10,
be
12
lordship
years.
is shifted from Bandali to number to Kekankusti, my lord. There's some discrepancy, my lord. In 2010, my lord, the petitioner have submitted for correction.
Where is that cell deed? Which cell deed?
Lordship. It's 52, my lord.
52.
In the year 2003, my lord. In the name of his
Proved.
mother.
Proved,
No.
No, my lord.
not proved.
Not proved.
Then these documents are not even proved.
Certificate copy is submitted, my lord. The attesting witness
Yes,
is not.
just read your cross.
Lordship.
Read your cross. Okay, read your listing.
On oath. মোর নিজর পট্টার মাটিত খেতি করু দাদার নাম আইস পরমাণিক আৰু দাদিৰ নাম নেকজান বাবাই 1971 চনৰ পৰা ভোট দিছিল দমদমৰ পৰা আইস পৰমাণিক আৰু আইজুদ্দিন একেজন মানুহ বুলি মই শপতনামা বনাই দাখিল কৰিছো মোৰ জন্মৰ আগতে দাদা দাদিৰ মৃত্যু হৈছে দাদাৰ নাম শুধৰণিৰ কাৰণে দাদাই অফিচত দৰখাস্ত কৰিছিল নে নাই নাজানো 1971 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত দাদাৰ নাম ভুলকৈ লিখা আছে বাবাৰ ভাই 3 জন নবী আলী বাবা হানিফ মোৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী 3 জন পৰিবাৰৰ নাম জয়গুণ নেছা ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ নাম এছমিনা পাৰবিন জেহৰুল ইছলাম জেছমিনা পাৰবিন 1989 চনৰ পৰা ভোট দিছো 1989 চনত চেঙা সমষ্টিৰ পৰা ভোট দিছিলো মই বৰ্তমান 2 নং কেকানকুছি গাঁৱৰ পৰা ভোট দি আছো 2 নম্বৰ কেকানকুছি থকা প্ৰায় 16-17 বছৰ মান হৈছে 2010 চনৰ পিছত বাবাৰ নাম ভোটাৰ তালিকাত শুধৰণি কৰাৰ কাৰণে 8 নং ফৰ্মখন জমা দিছিলো 8 নং ফৰ্মৰ ৰিচিভ কপি মোক দিয়া নাই 8 নং ফৰ্ম জমা দিয়াৰ প্ৰমাণ হিচাপে কোনো নথি আদালত জমা দিয়া নাই 8 নং ফৰ্ম জমা দিয়াৰ কথা মোৰ সাক্ষীৰ শপতনামাত লিখা নাই
So, this evidence was adduced by you when?
This is 16 September 2017.
Then why you have placed the exhibit 11, exhibit 13, exhibit 14, which are the voter list of 60 Borkhetri LAC. From village Kosua Potar, Kaldi.
In the voter list, my name is reflected, but my
Why
father's
your
name
name
is
is figured in two voter list or what? You, in your evidence, you have clearly stated
Lordship.
that you belong to village Kokankusi,
Kekankusi, Lordship.
Kekankusi.
Lordship.
That's a different constituency altogether.
No, my lord, same.
That's not under Borkhetri.
Kekankusi Borkhetri, my lord. Kekankusi, Kaldi, and Kosua Potar is neighboring, my lord. I'm also from there, my lord. The number one Kaplaburi, my lord. The nearby village. Nearby Mukalmo, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Pine.
My lord, kindly see, first of all, my lord, your lordship has to observe from 1955 to 1985, though my learned friend is saying that they have submitted some documents, the petitioner has submitted some documents and furnished, but those were not, my lord, admissible documents because those are not certified copy. In fact, 1961, 71 voter list, those are not certified copy. So whether it is
1955 to 1985.
85, my lord. Prior to 1985, the voter list of 1966 and 70, he has submitted 61 and 70 submitted, 55 also submitted, but these are not certified copy. So these are not admissible documents. There one Bakkar Ali was voter in 1971, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see, for argument's sake, your lordship may kindly see the page 43. This is the voter list of translated copy of the voter list. This is the name, my lord, whom the petitioner is claiming the father of the, he is the father of the petitioner, Bakkar Ali. But here against the Bakkar Ali, the father name is not available. It's not eligible. Not eligible. The father name is not eligible. This is of Damdama village. Here one Duplai Khatun was a voter along with Bakkar Ali. Their claim is that this Bakkar Ali is the father and Duplai Khatun is the mother. But there is no admissible evidence, my lord, that this Bakkar Ali was existed. That Bakkar Ali, because these documents cannot be an admissible documents. It is because it is not a certified copy. So if this document is ignored and document is, my lord, not taken as admissible, this 55, 60, 61 and 71, then first voter list, of course, will be of 1989, which the, my lord, on the basis, which we can accept it on the basis of the, my lord, certificate letter given by the, my lord, the election official, on the basis of page 70 only. So we can accept that, even though we accept that this page 70 is a correct, and this Duplai Nessa,
Mr. Pang, we may have some reservation in this issue. You summon a witness, he writes a letter to the adjudicating authority. Will his opinion be sacrosanct without he having need to face the test of cross-examination?
that should be, my lord, he should be first cross-examined. He
Obviously,
should first cross-examined.
he is a witness, he was summoned, he sends a communication. Communication, okay, it may be correct, but his correctness,
Contents,
veracity has
correctness,
to be tested on the dock.
yes, my lord, that has to be proved, that has to be tested. Even though we, my lord, accept that this is
For assumption.
for assumption, even though we accept, my lord, for assumption, though the first voter list will be acceptable only from 1989. If we accept this document as a document from the government authority, my lord.
Yes.
So the lineage, the father name Bakkar Ali, even though he says that Bakkar Ali is my father, the existence of Bakkar Ali prior to 1989 is not there, because 85 is, my lord, deleted. 85 voter list deleted. In fact, what my submission is, he has submitted 85 voter list, my lord. Why I'm saying this is very important, because in the 85 voter list, he submitted a photocopy of the 85 voter list. Later on,
Page.
my lord, that is basic voter list of 1985. The lordship will find, my lord, page 46, 46, 45.
45.
Yes, this is the voter list of 1945.
85.
85, my lord. This says, according to him, here the father name is recorded as Abu Bakkar, son of Ayas Paramanik, aged about 30 years, and Duplai Nessa, wife of Abu Bakkar, aged about 30 years, is existed. But what did my lord report says? Report says their name has been deleted from 1985 voter list.
Page
70, my lord.
Page 70.
Page 70, my lord. Deleted voter list. This is deleted voter list, my lord. Page 70. From 1985 voter list, their name has been deleted. So if we rely on this 1985 voter list, my lord, which, my lord, they produce in the tribunal without going to the report of the foreigners tribunal, my lord, the election commission, then, my lord, assumption of this 1985 voter list should have been totally wrong, my lord. So verification, once verified, it is found that 1985 is not existed. It is deleted. So we can assume that the one Duplai Nessa and Ayatollah Paramanik was there in 1989. So their existence in India is only from 1989, not prior to that. Now, second issue, my lord. In 1997, one Duplai Nessa, this Duplai Begum has been declared, and Ayatollah Paramanik was declared de-voter. If I may say, my lord, probably this is the, if he is the same person, when his name has appeared, against his name de-voter comes, my lord, he thought that to evade the de-voter, he changed his father's name. He changed his father's name as Montas, my lord. Now Montas is a valid voter. Son of my lord, Ayatollah Paramanik, son of Montas was a valid voter in 2005, 2007, 2002. When the reference comes, reference is against Ayatollah Paramanik, son of Montas. When reference comes against son of my lord Montas, then he thought, no, I made a mistake. It should better I should remain as son of Bakkar. Then he again changed his father's name in 2017 as Bakkar. That may be the reason. But constitution is different. That can be the best probability. I don't know. It may be my lord, but from the record it says, my lord, we have to accept he is the son of Montas, But there is not a single document that Montas was existed in India prior to 1971. Because the reference is against son of Montas. My lord, all along from 2005, because his reference was in 2007, 2005, when his name first time appeared as son of Montas, the my lord, authority found that yes, he's doubtful voter, so his name was referred against son of Montas. He has to establish that he is the son of Montas and Montas is a citizen of India. Now, to that effect, there is no evidence. There is no evidence that Montas was there prior to 1971. Both way, my lord, he has to prove. Either to Bakkar Ali, there is no document prior to 1989.
And 85 names are deleted.
Names are deleted. And to Montas, there is no documents prior to this 2005 voter list. Even though he proved that he is son of Montas, then also there is no document of Montas. So both way he failed.
Mr. Mubarak is trying to project a picture that Montas is his father-in-law. There was a mistake in while.
That is a statement, my lord. What evidence they have brought? He has only given a.
Montas is alive or not?
Alive, man.
Your father-in-law is alive.
Alive.
He came to the witness box.
Maybe.
Did he come to the witness box?
No.
Did he come? Was he a witness? No.
No.
My lord, the
He could have come, is it?
Sorry.
He could have come.
Sorry.
The Gaon, even then, my lord, against mother name, the husband name is shown as Montas. The age is different. Age is totally same. As per his statement itself. My lord, in
Voter list,
2000
lordship, with the voter list from 1985, my lord.
Right.
Although their name has been deleted, my lord, subsequently their name appeared, my lord, in the revisional list, my lord.
That is the report does not cease.
Report is says.
Report does not.
Can
No.
see page 70. Below.
However, the names of Abu Bakr are deleted from the voter list from the same year. The abstract copy of the same is shown below, enclosed here. Assam Legislative Assembly 47 number constituency voter list 1985 revision deleted voter list. This is deleted voter list.
Deleted
revision
is the
deleted voter list.
serial number 643 and 644.
No,
Here
below, what is written in Assam Legislative Assembly 47 number Senga constituency voter list of 1985 revision deleted voter list.
In the serial number is different.
I don't know. This is the voter list. This is your claim.
The 1985 voter list serial number is 443 and 444.
This is the revised voters list. So
Revised-
serial number will not be the same.
Revised, but revised also it is
You see
deleted.
the village. Village is Bandali Reserve, same.
Same.
Part is 80, same. So serial obviously will be different. It's a revised voters list.
Revised.
All names will not come
My lord, the first voter list, first portion was the original voter list.
of 85.
Yes,
correct?
85.
And
Then it is deleted. Deleted by the second one, my lord. By the second.
prior to deleted, there is a expression revision.
Yes,
So it is the revised voters list where the names of
has been deleted.
Abu Bakr and Dubulai Nessa have been deleted.
Yes. In deletion list, their serial number is 1125 and 1126. my lord. So whatever manner the petitioner fails to establish that he is, my lord, son of a, my lord, citizen of India who was existed in India prior to 1971. Because as I always argued, my lord, what they need to prove? Para 26 is clear. First of all, this, my lord, in fact, in this, my lord, in his neither in WS nor in my lord in evidence.
But Mr. Pang, their names were deleted in 1985
Yes.
in the revised voters list.
Yes.
Then if you come to the next page, here, page 71, father is not there. Father perhaps had passed away. Mother's name comes as again in 89 as wife of Bakar. How?
71, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. My lord, probably their name has been first time appeared in the 1989 voter list.
And what about 97?
97, it is the voter.
But from 89 to 97,
yes,
almost a gap of around 9 years.
9 years.
8 years.
8 years.
But the constituency is the same,
Constituency is same.
polling station is also the same.
Yes.
The Dubulai Nessa name of relation Bakkar. Again, Ayatullah Paramanik, whom he claims is his name, is of course age difference is there, but once deleted, how did they again come in? At least the mother.
Lot.
And the voter list of 1961 and 1971, my lord, they could not furnish, my lord. And in the page 70, it is reflected, my lord. However, the electoral roll of 1961 and 1971 evidential list could not be furnished due to the not available of records in this office.
Probably the petition, the Duplai Nessa and Ayatullah Paramanik again applied for enrollment in 1989. Thereafter, first intensive revision was done in 1997. Then it is detected out, and that's why they are shown as D-voter. The D-voter started only in 1997.
Except the entire D-voter concept came from 1997. When
1997.
there was huge influx and everything comes up. So it was only from 1997 this intensive revision took place and persons having doubt their mark as D on.
So even though we accepted Duplai Nessa was there in 1989, it started only from 1989. But here main case is, my lord, whether he is son of Bakkar Ali or Abu Bakkar or not. Because the reference is against Montas, son of Montas. And he shown his explanation this, my lord, that he's son-in-law of the Montas. But against his mother name also, my lord, the father name, husband name is shown as Montas. What is the explanation to that effect? There is no explanation. And there is no evidence to that effect that his father name, even the Gaoburas, my lord, who has given evidence, they have not said his father-in-law's name is Montas. He has been adopting his father-in-law's name as father in the voter list of 2005, 2010. So probably that's they are there. So this no explanation to that effect. No evidence to that effect.
Say the certificates exhibited by the petitioner from the concerned village has not been proved.
Yes.
That in the morning itself we had. The only thing is this voter list, and the petitioner relies on the report of the election officer, page 70. So 85 voter list goes.
Remains 89 voter list.
Now this next is 89.
Yes.
It's very clear. The tribunal on 19th of April 2017 on the prayer of the proceeding to prove the voter list directed for issuance of summons to the election officer. Directed the proceeding to take necessary steps for appearance with records. Now, and accordingly, date was fixed on 9th of May 2017. On 9th of May 2017, service report was not there. The next date was 26th of May 2017. Again, service report was there, directed the OP, the present president petitioner, to take the steps to the concerned officer. On 5th of June 2017, the concerned election officer submitted the voter list of 85, 89, 97. But expressed his inability to prove the voter list of 61 and 71, as the records are not available with him. That is the communication. But only the communication. Yes. But the OP did not take any step either for examining him or anything.
The next.
Communication में 13 June 13 June communication. 13 June.
Which is
In
page
taking
70.
steps in the terms of order 16 rule 1 to summon and cross-examine. Had he taken the steps in that manner, definitely he could have been summoned and as well as cross-examined him.
And the argument which has been made in few of the cases, the power to issue warrants.
Yes, sir.
These are matter situations where warrants can be issued to the subject to discretion of the tribunal. Warrants cannot be issued to force somebody to contest a case.
Yes, sir.
That's what we have held. It is not for the purpose of securing WS or his presence for contesting.
Yes.
It is for securing presence of somebody who has been called as a witness or otherwise, or in some cases, some positive or directions are given by the tribunal which is not complied with, then call him.
Yes, sir.
If somebody wishes not to contest, you cannot force him to
Yes, sir.
contest.
And that is why, with regard to other witnesses on behalf of the petitioner, like the village headman and others, on the prayer of the proceeding, summons have been issued.
Yes, sir.
These are available here.
Yes.
And their note sheet also reflects that the concerned Gaumburas were, the summons were issued at his behest. Both the Gaumburas. But it was not the case with regard to the concerned election office. He did not press for it. Yes, Mr. Pine, anything else?
My lord, my submission is, my lord, only thing, my lord, the petitioner, the prior to 1989, there is no document of any kind, even though the revenue receipt they have submitted of his grandfather, no relevancy because grandfather's link with the petitioner is not proved. And one NRC certificate submitted by the petitioner with regard to his claimed grandfather, that is issued by District Congress Committee, my lord.
Not by the authority concerned.
Not by the authority concerned, it's by someone else. Then 61, 55 voter list, 61 voter
That
list,
also goes, okay.
those goes, my lord, those are not certified copies. So at best, if we accept the report of the my lord, election commission, oh my lord, even though it is not cross-examined, my lord, then we can see this, my lord, Ayatullah and Dublai Nessa was existed in India only from 1989, my lord, at Bandili Reserve. That is the first document. So in absence of any admissible evidence of existence of the father or mother or the petitioner prior to 1971, the tribunal has no other option but to declare him foreigner entering India after 1971. That is the first issue. Second, my lord, even though the reference was made against Ayatullah, son of Mumtaz, my lord, the petitioner failed to prove that this Mumtaz was his father or Mumtaz was existed prior to 1971, or what he explained that Mumtaz was his grandfather, my lord, father-in-law, and his name has been enrolled against his father-in-law, and that is a mistake committed by the mistake, or that has been corrected later on. No evidence to that effect, madam. He has given some statement to that effect that somehow my father-in-law's name has been recorded against my name in the voter list, but there is no explanation how the father-in-law's name come against his mother's name, madam, as relative. And to that effect, there is no evidence. Not a single
That is
evidence.
why we had asked whether Montaz is alive or not. He is alive. He should have been produced in the witness box. Said, yes, I'm not his father and his father-in-law.
And this is the first doubt, my lord, because in 2005, this Ayatullah first time appeared in the voter list at the age of 36 years against son of Mumtaz. And that is the doubt for which he was referred. So he has to clear that, my lord, point. Without clearing that point, he cannot be declared as a citizen. And if we accept this, my lord, Ayatullah, son of Mumtaz, and that Ayatullah of whose name is there in 1989 voter list also, my lord, then also there is a huge age difference. Because as per his statement himself, my lord, in 2017, when he has given his deposition, he said that he is 47 years. That means his date of birth will be sometime in 1970. But if we accept this 2016 voter list, my lord, page 61, here he is 36 years in 2016. In 2017, he said he is 47 years.
Yes, yes.
But in 2016, in the voter list, he is 26 years, 36 years. So 10 years difference, my lord. It's not 1-2 years. So from this, my lord, it is clear. The Gaon-Buras, though my lord, deposed before the tribunal, Gaon-Bura has not said anything about these issues, my lord. That simply they are saying that he is son of Bakkar. They are not saying that, my lord, he is married to the daughter of Mumtaz, so his name is appearing in the voter list as son of Mumtaz. So these things are not, my lord, explained by the Gaon-Bura source. Two Gaon-Bura they have examined, and Gaon-Bura they did not examine, my lord, examine before the tribunal on the basis of any contemporaneous record. They have clearly deposed, said there was no application, did not examine any record. What the Gaon-Bura has said. So the Gaon-Bura certificate cannot be accepted for the reasons. And secondly, my lord, he has come with a affidavit showing that these are the discrepancies, this, that, this cannot be accepted as a piece of evidence for, my lord, purpose of citizenship. The self-swearing affidavit, page 68, my lord. And one thing, your lordship, he is saying his name is there in 1989 voter list, 2005 voter list. So long stay, or if one's name is enlisted in the voter list, it does not mean that he is a citizen of India, my lord. That is, Supreme Court has said then, my lord, that. Okay. That is, my lord, because he is saying 89 voter list, his name is there. That is. This one, huh? For all this, my lord, I would like to cite only one judgment, my lord. That is 2018 4 GLT 392, my lord. That is Borhan Ali.
For GLT?
2018 4 GLT 392, my lord.
Hmm.
Issues relating to, my lord, first of all, their numbers of issues were there, my lord, in the same judgment itself. First of all, whether the, my lord, the uncertified copy of voter list can be accepted or not. That point is decided there. The said judgment, your lordship will find para 21.7, my lord. - 21.7 and 21.8, it relates to, my lord, uncertified copy of the voter list. Only a certified copy of the voter list or extract thereof would be admissible in evidence. That point is there in the both this point, my lord. So second issue, my lord, that para 23 and 23.1, my lord.
Same judgment.
Same judgment, my lord.
23 and
23.1, my lord. They are, my lord, self-serving affidavit with regard to suo motu affidavit of petitioner as a proof of link with the person whom the petitioner claims to be his father. Such affidavits neither proof nor evidence within the meaning of section 1 and 3 of the Evidence Act. My lord, that point is there. Then, my lord, para 27 and 27.1. Same judgment, my lord. Para 27 and 27.1, my lord. This is with regard to the, my lord, voter list. How can voter list can be, my lord, be examined? The discrepancies, it cannot be ignored. If we are relying on the voter list, we have to rely fully, my lord. If we are not relying, we have to drop it for full purpose, my lord. That is if a proceeding relies on the voter list, he has to rely on the same in its entirety, not in part. He cannot say that he will rely upon that part of the voter list which is favorable to the proceeding, but would not rely upon that part of the voter list which goes against him. So discrepancies in name, resident, and age cannot be ignored. So this is in this judgment itself, my lord, all these three. Then, my lord, this is but the Supreme Court has said, my lord, one Bhanwaru Khan. Because this is, my lord, 2002 4 SCC 346, my lord.
2002.
Yes, ma'am. 4 SCC 346.
346.
Yes, ma'am.
Name?
Name Bhanwaru Khan, ma'am. BHANWAROO. Bhanwaru Khan and others versus Union of India. Because a foreigner may come in India and he may enter somehow his name in the voter list. That does not mean, my lord, he is a citizen of India.
Inclusion of voters is not a conclusive.
Not a
proof of one
conclusive
being a
proof of
citizen.
citizen. Yes. Para 15 says, my lord, para 15 there in that judgment. We agree with the High Court that a case in reference with the order of deportation is not made out. Long stay in the country and enrollment in the voter list would not confer any right on an alien to continue to stay in the country. We do not find any infirmity either with the reasoning adopted by the by conclusion arrive at the High Court or even by the government of India. So that point is there.
That is not with regard to inclusion of voters list.
Yes.
It's a
No,
question of long stay.
yeah, long stay in country and enrollment in the voter list.
Okay, enrollment.
Yes.
Both.
So this is a clear case, my lord, where the tribunal has rightly described everything, all these discrepancies and why he has not accepted. So opinion of the tribunal may not be interfered by this honorable court under 226 minute certiorari jurisdiction. That is my humble submission. That's all.
Any reply?
Lordship, as per my friends, my lord, although the voter list, although they have relied on voter list 1989, 1985 already deleted, my lord. I have not done 2085. 1989, although someone has been issued to the election commission, my lord, but they have not come before the learned court below. As well as they
Who
have
hasn't come?
Lordship,
Who hasn't come?
election officer, my lord.
Check it out. When did you? Tell us from that. The certificate we have taken for. As per the order of the tribunal, you are supposed to take steps. Who asked? You don't have to. You're directed to take press steps. Ultimately, at your instance, someone have been issued to Poti Gaonbura.
Lordship.
To us. And you take. Yes.
It's not there, my lord.
Is it
Someone has
there?
been issued, but no
What steps you have taken? Show
steps
us.
has been taken, my lord.
So,
They've taken or not?
Not taken, my lord.
see that regarding summons to the Gaonbura, it is there.
There, my lord.
Last part, not in the order sheet. Order sheet is also reflected, but in the down, we'll just see. The copies of the summons are there.
Last.
To the Gamburas. Last part, after the documents. Both the Gamburas, they have taken steps. Summons are issued. It is available there. After the voter list. Mr. Fine, show him, it is there.
177, 170.
You are aware of the fact that you have been declared as a D voter. Right? You have suppressed before the tribunal and you have also suppressed it before the court. Why?
I have no idea, my lord.
Hmm?
In this regard, I have no any idea, my lord.
Why? What
When-
Mr. Ali have
When
pointed
a
out.
question is being put to the it's not put to the council, it's
Lordship.
put to the petitioner.
Lordship.
You cannot say, I don't have any idea.
And when it was inquired from Ali, Mr. Ali has clearly stated that once you have been declared as a D voter in the year 1997, thereafter you have shifted to another village.
And there are reasons to believe what Mr. Payang has projected. That though the earlier voters list are uncertified copy, your father's name is going to be Bakar. And once Bakar and the name of the mother are deleted, then your father's name becomes Muntaz.
That has been in the year 2010, my lord. So knowing the fact, my lord, this is the illiterate person, my lord, and after knowing the fact,
No, see,
for-
name of the father will not automatically change.
Lord.
If a wrong name is inserted, a wrong name may still be there. That is we understand that.
Lord.
The name was correctly done. How does it change? Unless there is a conscious effort from you. That will not automatically change. Numerator is very easy. Name of the father is already there. Just copy it down. Changes from Bakar to Abu Bakar to Muntaz.
In fact, after that list, the next voter list also name of the petitioner was deleted. It is very much available here. The record is just we have seen. Any. Mr. Ahmed, assignment council for the petition. Sorry, M. Mubarak. Mr. Payang, Mr. Ali, Mr. Talukar. Records placed before court already there is an off. Hearing calculated that one. Borua. কি বলে এগুলো counts? Yes, Mr. Borua.
Item number 10, my lord.
Huh.
Last occasion matter has been listed, my lord. So today no chance of reaching. Can you lordship may fix a date, my lord? Some urgency is there, my lord. 10, my lord. The judgment was passed by Justice, Honorable Justice Mr. Sumansia, my lord. That is the reason matter has been listed here.
Should I make a mention in the morning to take up early, 10:15, you make a mention.
What is the appeal about, Mr. Borough?
I feel, my lord, well, whether, my lord, the invalid context, certain work has been done, whether entitled for payment or not. So section 70 of the contract has said, my lord, if certain three conditions has been fulfilled, my lord, in that case, my lord, not my lord, payment, the compensation can be gained. Here in this case, my lord, there is a 1962 decision is there, my lord, it elaborately, my lord, discussed about a section 70. That judgment was not paid before the learned single judgment. Invalid contract, my lord, not a contract within the minimum article 299. Certain officials have asked to do certain work, my lord. I have delivered it, my lord. They received it, my lord. They enjoy it, my lord. But payment has not been made. With the three conditions is, my lord, fulfilled, my lord. They accepted, my lord, and they enjoy it, my lord. In that case, my lord, they are entitled for compensation. Here in this case, my lord, they accepted it, but they have not. They have said, I am not enjoy it, my lord, not use it, my lord.
What kind of contract?
My lord, supply of certain, my lord, centrifugal pumps, my lord. I have supplied, my lord, near about 4,739 set of pumps, my lord. And a huge amount of I spent, nearly 6,439 lakhs, my lord. And
But
the
are
largest-
these enforceable contracts if the object is not lawful?
Yes,
It is
my
not a valid
lord. Yes, my
contract.
lord, that is.
in that
how-
case, my lord,
Now, for a compensation, you have to go to the civil court.
no, my
Yes.
lord, their decision is there, my lord. Their decision of the 5 judges, their decision is there, my lord, 1962, my lord, Supreme Court.
No,
That
your entitlement to a remedy under the private law doctrine in a civil court, that is not barred.
no, that
But how do you you
No.
invoke a writ jurisdiction?
no, 1968 decision says, my lord, I may go to the, my lord, civil court for compensation for damage, my lord, if there is a valid contract, my lord. The 1968
No,
Supreme
then 73 will come. 73, the consequences are different. But for 70, how do you approach the writ court? These are matters of disputes of facts.
No, my lord, if there is, my lord, subject to, my lord, profit correction, my lord, my.
Now, we do not know what the stand of
My
the
lord,
department.
Yes, my lord, there is no valid sanction, my lord. The petitioner who have delivered the centrifugal pump, my lord, there was no authority, my lord.
There is no order to supply.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, in this case, my lord, we are led by Mr. D. Soikia, senior
No, it is
advocate.
okay. Now, we are not having a hearing today. We're just outlining. But that may not be a bar for you to approach the civil court
No,
for
my lord.
compensation. But
No.
can you say that, no, I'm entitled to the, if the purpose is not there, object is not there,
No, my lord, in that case, I may approach the, my lord, subject to correction, my lord, and repeat it, my lord.
which
If-
decision 68 name?
68
Name of the decision?
Well-
What is the citation?
1968 Supreme Court.
Name.
What is name do you have?
Give the name. Thank you. One is 1962 decision, that is BK Mondal versus State of West Bengal. That is elaborately discussed about the section 70 of the contract. And this case, and learned single judge, once my lord say them, what your lordship follow for lordship mouth, my lord, that my lord, once one part will say that writ is not applicable, not applicable. Second part said, my lord, because you can go for damage, my lord. Because question of damage will come when there is a valid contract. But there is two type of contract. One is 299, Article 299, and other is, my lord, Section 70. One is supplement, Section 70, my lord, supplement section.
To invoke 299, it's a government contract, then you have to meet the requirements of valid contract. The promise, the acceptance, the
promise
lawful
level.
object, the
No, they have-
consent, here they say that there is no official
Yes,
sanction.
my lord, there was no supply order, my lord.
No, supply, in emergency, certain emergency
What is the
condition, my
name?
lord.
What is the name?
That is, my lord. Here, 1968, Supreme Court, page 1218, my lord.
Name?
Name, my lord. That is, my lord, Mulchan versus State of MP.
What?
Mulchan,
Mulchan.
Mulchan, my lord, and my lord versus State of MP. And my lord, on the leading case, my lord, I have referred to your lordship. That is, my lord, AR 1962, Supreme Court, page 779. In that case, my lord, everything has been discussed.
Name?
Name, my lord, VK Mondal versus State of West Bengal.
PK? DK Mandal?
BK Mondal. BK Mondal, that is 62 decision. AR 1962.
62 or 72? 62.
Yes, no, 62. 5 judges decision, my lord. And my lord, by following that, exactly my lord, similar case, my lord, following that decision, my lord. Paragraph 18 to paragraph 21, my lord.
Okay.
And learner simulus, my lord, agreed, admitted that he entitled for payment, but the person who issued the order had not made a party, my lord, so he not entitled for payment. That is one part of the order. A second part says, my lord, there is no mandamus can be issued, but you go for the my lord, suit for damage. But suit for damage will lie if provided there is a valid contract. But there is two type of contract. One is, my lord, contract within the meaning of Article 299, and second is, my lord, if done invalid contract entitled for compensation under Section 70 of the Contract Act, he provided 2-3 conditions of fulfilled.
Okay, we'll have it on 14th, but make a mention in the
14, my lord?
mention time, 14th of March.
Yes. Prosecutor part hard or
No.
We have not even opened the file.
yes, sorry.
My lord, item number 15, my lord. This matter, though there is no live issue, I am for the respondent, my lord. Lordship may fix an early date so that it can be finally heard and decided. What happened during the pendency of the writ petition, my lord?
Somebody in the morning.
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. Somua made a mention. We have not passed any order.
My lord, the issue here is he is seeking promotion, my lord. In the meantime, during pendency of the case, he has been convicted and he has been sentenced. Sixth, my lord.
Conviction under what law?
Under, my lord, Special Prevention of Corruption Act, PC Act. He has been sentenced, and pursuant to his imposition of penalty, he has been compulsorily retired from service. And that order of compulsory retirement is not under challenge. Here the issue is he claimed promotion.
Item number 15.
Go ahead, Lord. Not cited, Lord.
Day after tomorrow, 29th.
My lord. Initially, I wanted to pray for that only.